No more. Lift it up. How to lift it up? How to lift it up with the rainbow? So.
Shit. We live right now. Can you help bring people up? Hang up. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Ready. You're doing to make Mama.
What's that?
Mama.
What it do?
Money boat.
Hey, it's not time for all that. Eat your dinner and go to bed.
You just slap a tiger, bro.
Man, I thought that nigga was talking to me. I was about to sit down, bro. You eat.
I thought that was from your background.
Nah, that ain't me. That's
Y'all niggas crazy, man.
What you say? All right, you know. That's my baby. Hey, y'all. Hey, no. I'm Nina Rockstar Red Bill. Hello, I'm doing.
Hey, baby.
What's up, baby? What's the door? I'm good in you. Hey, man, let me hear your voice.
You hear me right here.
No, it's not.
Make sure y'all ping up, man. Make sure y'all ping up. Everybody know we up in this thing.
Hey, Rock.
Yeah.
Is this person in my picture a Crip or a Blood?
Hold on.
Way to go.
Hold on, brother.
Boo. Yes.
Hold on. I'm pinging up right now. Hold on.
Chris. Yes.
You motherfuckers in. We got to have
Queen Rhetoric. Hello, my love. Hey. You right on time. No, I figured that. Yes, I was ready for this interview.
Yes.
I couldn't wait to interview. Hottest content on the metaverse.
In the world, Craig.
Let's ping up. Today we got Attorney Rosenberg gonna be coming through in just a second. Let me warm up the room, get people up in here so we can all holler.
Pretty cool.
I'm over here pinging. I don't know.
My bad, give me 2 seconds. Come here, Thrasher. My God, brother.
Let's see, everybody that actually want to hear some shit. There's some big ass.
I got the burrito taco or whatever. But add some Samsung on it though.
Hey, Lana, I thought long and hard about you last night.
Make sure you do a time stamp, Elena. Okay, ma'am. I got one. Fucking 2 seconds in.
I thought long and hard about you last night, Lana.
Less than a minute in the room. What'd you say? What you thought?
No.
Humor me.
I feel like, I think you do ask. I apologize.
Put it on the cap.
You a good person.
Oh, I think that the app froze. No, I'm just kidding.
And let's make sure we pinging up, sharing the room, however possible, pinging up, man. Tony Rosenberg will be live in here. We live right now, Smutfree TV. Logged in, you understand, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube, Rockstar 2800. Make sure y'all follow Smutfree TV on IG as well. Hop in the comments, every comment counts. You understand me? Got the hottest content in these internet streets. Y'all know the rest. We're going to keep it going, keep it cracking. Attorney Rosenberg, one of the famous lawyers out here in California, doing this thing, getting them cases dismissed, been doing it for a while. I'll have him pull up so we can really holler. Make sure we pinging up, sharing the room, pinging up. Hey, you want to know some funny shit right now that just happened? So I told you my phone be fucking up sometimes. And when I came on the app, it automatically went to one of that nigga rooms. Man, them niggas must have seen me in the goo so fast. Who is this bitch ass nigga? Why is this bitch ass nigga? Boy, I had to hold on. I had to make a U-turn around that motherfucker.
Gave him something to talk about real quick.
You feel me?
Yeah.
They gonna be like, oh, Rockstar trying to come in the room.
Hey, they say you don't never go nowhere.
Right, so
went on the field
you
trip.
just stuff in the invitation.
Cool. It was nothing to me. You left. All right.
What's Trash TV Kiwo? Who's Kiwo? Nobody. Oh, alright.
Yeah.
It's my turn.
Who just press play, nigga? He always be asking to come up. Who's good?
I sent them an invite.
He was somebody that came up before. How you was something like?
No, I'm saying I pinged them to the room.
Press play, pause, rewind, fast forward.
Yeah, he's talking.
Press play. What up? Oh yeah, he tired. He too long. He out of here. It's over. It's over for him.
Wait to start taking field trips.
Who that is you supposed to interview, right?
We're gonna interview Attorney Rosenberg. He an attorney out of LA. He got a good following, about 40,000 followers on Instagram. He's known for getting cases dismissed, etc. And you know, we're gonna talk about it. He got Almighty off for 3 robbery charges yesterday. So we're gonna talk about it. Cat Daddy, what it do?
I do want to, because Rockstar did really cut me off. I
didn't mean that. I didn't mean to.
Taking the time to make that bold statement.
Hey, go in there.
I do
you are done
for your efforts.
Because he is over here.
Lena, what y'all talking about?
I'm live on YouTube.
I'm talking about apologize to me, so I'm just taking the time to acknowledge that.
Soak it in real quick, huh?
I ain't soaking in shit. I'm just acknowledging it because I got cut off and I was saying something. So I don't want him to feel like I was an asshole and just.
Y'all cool now? Y'all cool?
No, we're definitely still not cool. However, I'm acknowledging the movement today.
I'm on this attorney website, and it's just enough room for him to add Almighty Suspects case to this little tab over here with case results. Just enough space.
All right, y'all. Like I said, man, we live Smutfree TV. About to have it rocking and rolling, man. Tony Rosenberg about to pull up on us. Come chop it up. Make sure I send him the link. How everybody feeling today? How everybody doing?
Hey, excuse me, right? Hey, that's my lawyer, right?
I think so. We're gonna holler at him about all that. I'm gonna get to know the man. You ask some questions. I'm gonna open up the floor. Let people do what y'all do best. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Like I said, we locked and loaded. Oh, there you go down there. Bring him up real quick. All right, man. Let's go, man. Attorney Rosenberg is in the building. I just sent you a link to come up. I just sent you an invite to come up. Look at your top. Look at the top, Rosenberg. Accept it. Just sent you accept to come up. There you go. And then the bottom right mic. in the bottom right corner. That's how you come off your mic. Hit that bottom right mic. Gonna be in the corner. No, not that way. Not that way. No. Hit the bottom. It's the bottom right mic right here in the room. On the bottom right corner. It's a mic. Click it. Click on and off.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, man. Look, welcome to Smutfree TV. We live, Hip Hop Trends Clubhouse. It's your host, Rockstar 2800, the most hated, most opinionated. You understand me? The most underrated. Y'all know the rest. Shout out my moderators on the stage. We got attorney Rosenberg, the famous lawyer, in the building right now on Clubhouse with us. You understand me? How you doing today, attorney Rosenberg? How you doing?
I'm doing great, my friend. Clubhouse gig. Usually I'm on YouTube and whatnot. So, hey, I'm learning too. Appreciate you.
No. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. You're gonna get calls. Yeah, so man, you've been making a lot of noise. You know, yesterday I posted you for getting some charges dismissed from Almighty Suspects case.
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna get into that in just a second, but you know, I want the people to get familiar with you and who you are. If they're not familiar with you, I'm for sure familiar with you. You've been on my Instagram for the last 2 years, just going crazy. You know what I'm saying? I definitely see your growth and what you've been doing and who you've been helping. How did you get into being a lawyer? Why did you want to be a lawyer? Let's start there.
Sure. So growing up, I grew up in LA, kind of on the west side, Fairfax High, and I was always involved in public speaking. And when I was in school in the Bay Area, I got involved in community organizing. So I was in San Francisco's Tenderloin as a community advocate. And then I got into the local politics in San Francisco with people like Gavin Newsom. Kamala Harris was DA, and now you see where they went 20 years later. So my relationship at the time was in law school when I was graduated from Berkeley, and then I was in film school. And I just kind of naturally fell in and said, hey, this is a great way to do advocacy from a different side, from the legal side.
So, I mean, did you always want to be a lawyer? Was that a dream, or you just kind of fell into it?
Well, I was pre-med. I was at Berkeley. I was pre-med, and I studied architecture, actually, but I was also a philosophy major. So I kind of was on a path of self-discovery, and that's how I became a lawyer.
Oh, okay. No, for sure. So you graduate, you get your degree, you're a lawyer. LA was this is what I'm getting at. Was it your intentions to help the inner people in LA or help, you know what I'm saying? Like, what was your call? I mean, you say you want to advocate. So when I hear that word, I hear like somebody who's passionate about getting people off or whatever they're accused of.
Sure. So when I was a community organizer and nonprofit director.
You breaking up.
Justice. I worked with the sheriff, district attorney, public defenders. So I was in the realm of public safety. And my first job was as a public defender in a very poor county. And when I was in juvenile, I got really focused on the gang cases. So for the juveniles who had gang enhancements, especially over the age of 16, they started catching strikes and they were being labeled and pigeonholed. And so that's really what started this whole thing that I've been doing in my LA law firm.
No, for sure. Now, let's get into this. So was it easy how was your journey was it hard because everybody sees you dismissing cases and winning, but they don't see the losses? So can you explain like your journey coming to this point to where you at now?
Sure. So as a private lawyer, it's very different from when you're a public defender, right? Because when you're a public defender, they hand you 30 files and that's your caseload for the day, right? And you can't pick and choose. So as a private lawyer, we're held to a much higher standard, right? Okay. So we need to get those wins out there. We need to have good client results so that people know, hey, Rosenberg or whoever, that's a good lawyer. See what I mean? So it is important. Now, sometimes we don't always, quote, win. We don't always get a dismissal. We don't necessarily always get a not guilty or an acquittal at trial. But there's many ways to win. And one way to win is when we have a fair sentencing result for somebody who was facing a lot of time. And now, they have an out date. So there's many different ways to win.
No, definitely. Let's get into it about, so I don't want to go too much. So are you CMAC's lawyer?
Yeah, so I represented CMAC in a case that he had out of the Norwalk courthouse, and a lot of people are familiar with it. Actually, they kind of filmed his surrender inside the courtroom. That was the whole interesting thing. But yeah, me and Crip, we're tight. I love that guy. So cheers me up.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear, man. All right. So Almighty Suspect, we see that yesterday. 3 robbery charges. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. So first of all, sometimes there's limits on what we can speak on, right? So I have to keep it attorney-client.
No. That's facts. I appreciate that. Yeah, sure.
But what I can tell you is, Almighty's, he's a very interesting cat. You know what I mean? He's serious. He's funny. He's a nice-looking guy. The ladies love him, right? And put him on the microphone, he can do his thing. So when he came to me, he heard my name. We sat, we met, and we had to come up with his defense strategy, and we worked together very well. And as I posted, I was able to discover, hey, wait a minute. There's video of him entering the studio, but there's no video of him leaving. And therefore, a jury could reasonably assume that he was inside the studio when the alleged robbery occurred. And I was able to bring that point home, and that's how we got those 3 dismissals. Because, once someone circles your face and you have a positive identification, that's powerful evidence of guilt, especially in front of a jury. So we were able to get him a result I think he deserved.
Yeah, I heard you say in the video that somebody came to you. I guess the DA or the public, whoever came to you after you pointed that out and sat down and figured it out. Is that how it works?
Well, so the process a lot of times is when you analyze a case, you'll find some weaknesses, and you might write a letter to the district attorney. You might have a casual conversation. You might highlight with your own expert witness some deficiency in the case. In this case, I wrote an email to the prosecutor outlining my theory, and I asked him to dismiss these 3 robberies. So he didn't do it, and we were doing the preliminary hearing, and over the lunch break, he sent his detective to the crime scene and was able to confirm that there's only one way in and one way out. So in that case, we were literally on the record in the preliminary hearing after the break, and he told the judge, Your Honor, not confident proceeding, and therefore I made a motion to dismiss, which was granted. So it's kind of like Kung Fu. in the sense that each case is different and it calls upon different strategies in order to achieve your objective. So in that one, I was able to demonstrate that the video surveillance undermined their theory of the prosecution.
Oh yeah. Hey, how accurate is the Lincoln Lawyer, and do you consider yourself something like that?
Well, so first of all, whenever I encounter Michael Connolly's work, I kind of feel like, hey, is that fool following me around downtown? You know what I'm saying? So he's a great writer, and there's a lot of material in there that I think is accurate. It is fictionalized, so there has to be some kind of hook, right? So it is, fiction. It is film, but being a criminal defense lawyer, I think people find it very interesting because of what we see on a daily basis, right?
Especially in LA.
Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you the truth, right? There's no better place on the planet to be a criminal defense lawyer than the City of Angels.
Yeah, not even New York?
Well, I'm from the West Coast, so, it's a Tupac Biggie type of
No, for sure. Hey, man, we got Attorney Rosenberg in the building. About to open up the floor for some questions. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all share the room, ping up. Attorney Rosenberg, he understand he got, like he said, he got a client, the whole privacy thing. So let's, ask some questions that could be informational, to you. But other than that, I mean, the floor is open. We're going to go with Elena. Elena, what it do?
Hello. I wanted to ask, has there ever been any cases or cases that you come across that you really didn't want to take? And how do you feel? Do you ever feel any kind of way when you win a case that perhaps, do you ever feel like you win a case that you shouldn't have won, or I don't know. What is that feeling when, if you can follow my drill?
Sure, I got you. And I'm learning, like I said, I'm looking at the app and I see that's Alana. Is that you, right?
Elena, but you're close.
Oh, Elena, I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. And you just did your microphone. Okay, so let's talk about the second one. So here's my view of the criminal justice system. If the prosecution can ethically and fairly prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, then they're entitled to keep that conviction, right? That's our Constitution, that's our state law. But if they're unable to do so, then we can keep the acquittal, right? So maybe there's cases where my client does not have factual innocence, right? But if the prosecutor cannot meet their burden of proof, my client is entitled to get out of custody and walk out of the courtroom. So that's the principle that I live by as a criminal defense lawyer. So on the first one, are there cases that I really wish that I would not take? Every case is different and it presents a different challenge. Sometimes I find cases are a little too far away for me. Sometimes I find that, it might not be the right fit as far as the client and myself. And so, sometimes those considerations do come up. But in general, I get along with my clients. A lot of my clients are accused of being members of street gangs, members of prison gangs. And, that's probably the core of my law firm, is dealing with those types of cases.
Okay, that makes sense. So you're doing what you want to do. That's good.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, Trey Thrasher, what up?
Yo, you can hear me?
Yes.
What's up, man? And I want to see if you can't talk about, could you elaborate a little bit more on what
you breaking up
for Almighty? And
you breaking up.
I was saying, I was saying, can you elaborate on what the defense was for Almighty and the outcome?
Yeah, so as I posted, the issue was identity. So in every criminal case, the prosecution has to prove identity, meaning that the defendant is involved in the conduct. So the defense is they could not prove identity, that he had anything to do with these alleged robberies. So anytime they have a problem of proving identity, then their case will collapse. And that's exactly what happened in that case.
No, that's for sure. That's a good question. Baby cat daddy, what it do?
Oh, nothing, man. I just want to say I appreciate what you do, brother, and just keep doing what you do.
No, I appreciate that. And let me see if I can elaborate on a couple of recent trends, relatively recent, that might help somebody out there.
Yeah.
If they're facing a case or they have a loved one facing a case. So going back to the gang cases and the enhancements, right? An enhancement means that there's a base charge and then there's a special charge added on top of it that can increase the penalty, right? So there's maybe robbery plus use of a gun. Use of a gun is an enhancement. So it used to be for many years that the prosecution would be able to put on, let's say it's a murder case, gang murder case, put on evidence of the murder at the same time as the gang enhancement. And that resulted in very prejudicial trials for my clients and for clients all over California. So 2 years ago, they changed the rule, and now we can exclude evidence of the gang enhancement during what we call the case in chief, could be, say, the murder or the robbery. So that is what we call bifurcation, and that is a relatively new development that shows the pendulum swinging towards defendants' rights a little bit more. So that's a positive result. However, judges still let some gang evidence in, but it's a demonstration of how the pendulum is starting to swing back towards the rights of defendants.
No, for sure. That's a good one. We're gonna keep it rolling with the questions.
So is there still a gang enhancement in California, or is because I've been hearing different kind of things like it was taken away or whatever like that?
No, it's still in the penal code, 186.22 B1, and then there's different categories. There's also what we call active participation in a gang, and that is penal code 186.22A. But what you see in Los Angeles County is that the head DA, George Gascon, has not been charging gang enhancements in every case where they used to. So in LA County, we see fewer gang enhancements on our cases. So that could be what you're thinking of in saying that it's gone.
Yeah. Let's keep it rocking. KK, brother Akeem. Brother Akeem, you there, KK? We're gonna keep it rocking. Red Pill, Fat Profit.
Yeah, I got some questions.
Right. How you doing?
I'm all right. Hey, how you doing? All
I'm
right,
good.
So,
I'm blessed.
So one of the questions that I have for you is, what would you say the majority of your clients' main reason for coming to you is? Well, is it like pricing, or is it the work, or is it, the main thing that they come to you for?
Well, I think one thing, first of all, nobody wants to come see Rosenberg, right? Because that means you've got a criminal case pending, right? But they have a legal issue and they're looking around and they're trying to find a lawyer that, for lack of a better term, they vibe with, right? So they want someone who has a little style, maybe a little swag, who knows the law and is experienced. So a lot of people come see me because they've already heard about me and they like what they see, so we can have a very productive new client meeting.
Okay. So what is a retainer? What would a retainer look like if somebody was to want to have you on retainer? How would that process work, and what would that look like?
So, excuse me. So if you're asking, do I charge people like a monthly amount to have me waiting in the wings? I do not do that. And as far as pricing and how it works to hire me, every case is different. So what I usually do is I find out a lot about the case, criminal history, what the evidence is, what the witnesses are. Is it a 2-week trial or is it a 3-month trial? And then I'm able to issue a quote.
So you don't take retainers? You don't do retainers as a lawyer?
I don't. What I do is when people are under investigation, I can represent them pre-arrest, when they're under investigation, pre-filing. So there's different ways that I do it. But mostly, if you DM me about it, I'm going to say, save my cell phone number on your phone. And then if you have something come up, then you can hit me.
And basically figure it out from there.
Yeah.
Who are we? Goddess, what it do?
Hey, I do have a question. And it is, can you share a memorable case or experience that highlights the importance of criminal defense work?
Sure. So I had a case when I was a public defender, and it was a young man who was on juvenile probation, but he turned 18. So his probation violation was in adult court. And I basically took a whole day and I fixed his life for him. So instead of just staying in the office, I drove him to his sister's house to get his stuff. I took him to a job interview. I just focused on that one client for pretty much the whole day. And at the end of it, I really realized how I impacted his life, because I really did not want the judge to lock him up. And that's, that flexibility and ability to be available is something that you can do as a private lawyer. So that was, I think, the feeling that you're asking about is when I really knew that I'm making a difference.
No, that was a good one. That was a good one. Trey Money, what it do?
Pass, bro.
For sure. Shaniqua, what it do?
It's cracking. Hello.
Hello, Shanika, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Like I said, I'm blessed.
That's what's up. I was wondering, do you think that Tory Lane should have got all that time?
Well, so that's a very interesting question. I know the trial lawyer on that case, and I'm very familiar with the reporter, Megan Kuniv. And, I actually think it could have been worse. It's possible that it could have been better. I did not see the trial. I only heard about, what I read. I follow Megan's column. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with her work. So I think that if I recall, he got midterm on the assault, but I think he got high term on the gun enhancement for a total of 13 years, if I'm correct.
Yeah. He tried to appeal it a couple times as well. It hasn't worked for him. Do you think he's doing the full 10 years in there?
Okay, so is the question, what are his credits and when is he gonna be let out? Or is the question, do I think he has action on appeal?
No, we know he ain't got action on appeal. I would think at this point. My thing is he doing the 410 years he was sentenced? Is he doing that?
Oh, he got 10, not 13.
Yeah, I think it was 10, if I'm not mistaken.
So an assault charge on its own, like a 245, there's different versions. That's what we call a halftime strike. So you serve that basically at 50%. But if you add the gun enhancement on top of it, for example, a 12022.5A use of a firearm, then that combination is served at 85%.
Even for a first-time offender?
Yeah, if you've got a violent felony, that's what the penal code says. Now, CDCR, California Department of Rehabilitation and Corrections and Rehabilitation, excuse me, they're giving the 85%ers better credits, but the penal code still says 85%. So if you program well, it's possible to get an earlier out date, but on paper, a violent felony is 85%.
Yeah, okay. He cleared that up real quick. Who we got? Lacey Lease.
Hey there, I don't have any questions. Thanks for coming on and sharing your insights. So
thank you. I appreciate that you're tuning in.
So and no.
I'm good. Well, I don't got no question.
Okay, for sure. Crystal, Miss Crystal.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm excellent. How are you doing?
I'm hanging on in there like a coat in the closet, sir.
Got you.
You're supposed to laugh. No, but I wanted to ask, what's your take on the death penalty?
Well, that's like a whole 17 episodes of television, right? So myself, I am not a proponent of the death penalty, right? Now remember, I'm a defense lawyer. I'm not running for district attorney, okay? And as a lawyer, then obviously I oppose the death penalty. I will say that I have done special circumstance murder cases, and a special circumstance means it's eligible for life without parole or even the death penalty. So think of it as aggravating factors. But I have not done a death penalty trial. It's very difficult as a private lawyer to do a case like that. Most likely it's going to be appointed, either a public defender, alternate public defender, or a bar panel attorney. And it's because of the tremendous amount that goes into a case like that. So I've done special circumstance preliminary hearings, and I have some clients who have life without parole, but I defer to my colleagues when it comes to doing a death penalty jury trial as a private lawyer.
Okay. Who we got next? Sticks, you got a question for the lawyer?
No, bro. I missed the whole thing.
Okay. Bree. Who's raising your hand? Bree, what it do?
hello, shout out to Rockstar. I just had a quick question, actually two quick questions. Have you ever had any cases involving a Rami warrant? And
yes.
And also, have you ever had a case involving a case that actually had no police report?
Yeah, so I'll do the first one. So I do have cases routinely with what we call a Rami warrant. And what that means is that generally the law enforcement agency has detectives and they write a report, and then they submit it to the district attorney's office for filing consideration. In other words, are we going to file a case with the court or not? And it's up to the prosecuting agency to decide what they're going to do. But in a Ramey warrant, what happens is the law enforcement agency, the detectives, they go right to a judge and they get an arrest warrant. So they're basically going around the district attorney's office. They can get their arrest warrant and then they can go out and get a suspect. People sometimes speculate that that means there's something wrong with the case and that the detectives are hoping maybe for a confession or something like that to make the case stronger. So I do see Ramey warrants, regularly.
And the second one, what's the second question again?
If he ever had a case involving a case that there was no police report.
Right. So the answer is yes and no. And you can't really prosecute somebody without an incident report, right? Because that's how it works. Police interview witnesses, they gather evidence, they write it down, and the prosecutor has to disclose that evidence to us. We call that discovery, right? So they have to tell us what the evidence is so that we can defend our client under the Sixth Amendment. Sometimes we go to court on the first day and there is no police report. Okay, that doesn't mean there never will be. It just means sometimes we don't have it yet. So there are cases I've done where I walk in, maybe there's no report, or there's like a one-page report, and we know, in fact, that there's going to be far more evidence coming. I actually did a case like that where my client was extradited out of county. It was a special circumstance murder. Once again, that means eligible for life without parole or the death penalty. And when I was in CCB, Criminal Courts Building 210 West Temple, Department 30, all I had was a 2-page incident report. And so I knew there'd be a tremendous amount of evidence coming. And what we decided to do was pull our time waiver and just force them to scramble to get the case to preliminary hearing. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
And do you guys want to talk about the Racial Justice Act at all?
No, definitely. Go ahead. Go ahead. Give us some game.
Okay. I did a little prep. So what if I run out of stories, right?
No, for sure.
Okay. So the Racial Justice Act is very interesting because if you can establish that there's bias or discrimination based on race, ethnicity, or basically country of origin, okay, then you may have relief from your conviction. So I have seen lawyers attempt to argue that. A good example is I've seen pimping and pandering type cases where people have alleged that it disproportionately impacts African-American males. So under Racial Justice Act, you can file a claim and they have certain tiers of eligibility when you can file what. So in over the next 4 years, there are different people who already are convicted who can file a petition. So just remember that Racial Justice Act is something that recently can be raised. So I think that's a good one to think about. And, do you guys know about some of the new developments with the rap lyrics?
I wanted to get into that too, because I wanted to get in that too, because I wanted to know, are you familiar with Draco?
Actually offered some commentary on his case when he had his when he got acquitted and then they refiled on him.
Yes, but I think they was using his rap lyrics against him then. So and then I heard California wasn't allowed to use them. I mean, I'm not sure how true that was.
Right. So, and this is interesting, and I have a little case story out of San Bernardino. My client was a rapper, and they really did try to go there and use his lyrics. So there's a law that they passed. Governor Newsom signed it. It's called Decriminalizing Artistic Expression Act. But basically what it means is that the prosecutor cannot immediately use lyrics against a defendant, most likely at a trial. So the intention is to prevent racial bias from rap lyrics that should be seen as creative expression and not evidence. Now, lyrics can still come in, but there's a little more scrutiny on how they come in. And as a defense lawyer, we can make arguments to try and prevent that. So it's just, because I actually have a lot of clients who are musicians, they're entertainers, they're rappers, and it's something to, it's worth noting that 5 years ago they would use your lyrics, and now the pendulum is swinging a little bit more towards, the homies, however you want to say it.
Yeah, yeah.
The judge trying to use the lyrics for Young Thug. They trying to debate if they gonna use the lyrics for Young Thug.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that. Are you familiar with that case? What's going on, the RICO case?
So I believe that Young Thug and Gunna, they brought up those lyrics, but that's a RICO case, so that's federal law, not state law.
Yeah, but from our understanding, it's a state RICO out there, though. It's not a federal RICO.
Okay, so it's the same as what they're doing with Donald Trump.
Yeah, it's the same exact person who arrested him.
Okay. So, when it comes to Georgia, I'm licensed in California, and I'm reluctant to comment on something that I'm not really familiar with.
Okay, have you seen RICOs happen in California? State RICOs or federal RICOs?
Yeah, so there's definitely federal RICOs that happen. The Los Angeles area is called the Central District of California. And I do practice in that district. I do some federal cases. And there are a bunch of RICOs that they've done. And they really created that to try and break up, the Italian mafia back in the day. Nowadays, we see it applied to street gangs, for example, here in Los Angeles, as federalized prosecutions. So I do see.
You're breaking up, Nikki.
So let's see. Do people are interested in some of the resentencing laws and how that comes about?
I mean, the floor is open for the people. Hold on, let me reset the room one time, man. For the people who are just entering the room, we got attorney Rosenberg in the building. Famous lawyer, attorney Rosenberg, criminal defense lawyer out of Los Angeles. Definitely been putting it down for a long time now, making waves. Has a good following on the IG, man. You need to go check him out, attorney Rosenberg. He is in here. The floor is open. If you're interested, have any questions, anything that could be informational of use to you that can help an individual or family member, the floor is open, man. This is the time for it.
So I have one question.
Go ahead, bro.
Okay, hey, Mr. Nicholas. So the First Amendment, isn't that freedom of speech? So they can use your lyrics against you in order to convict you? Like, even though it's freedom of speech?
Yeah, that's the issue that you raise, is how does a criminal prosecution dovetail with freedom of expression, right?
Yes.
And that's why the ACLU, American Civil Liberties Union, supported a change in the law, which is kind of a compromise in a way, but that's what we've been talking about when Governor Newsom signed the law decriminalizing artistic expression. So you don't always have a 100% First Amendment right to engage in speech or other conduct. And the classic example is you can't yell fire in a crowded movie theater, right? And certain types of speech, let's say criminal threats, that also does not fall within the purview of the First Amendment.
I mean, but why did they only use that against like rap lyrics? Like, there's country songs that say things. There's, you know, different people that speak their own mind, like the KKK. Like,
sure, yeah. So that one it's tricky for me to respond because I have to assume somebody else's state of mind.
You know, he from LA. He say tricky.
Yeah. But what I can tell you is that those laws should be applied equally, and we call that the Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution. So, but you know, this is a law that's in California that we're talking about, and I think maybe some of these other artists are not in California.
Hey, not to name drop, but can you name some people you represented?
Well, I mean, I usually post them on my IG.
Yeah. I was going through it real quick.
Yeah, I mean, you know, Crip Mac pulled up, Conejo pulled up, Money Don't Sleep pulled up, Money Sign Suede, RIP pulled up.
Okay.
You know, if I forget one, then they're gonna hate on me.
Yeah. No.
You know,
definitely.
Reverie, that's the homegirl. You know, different people. Shout out to Spider Loaf.
Yeah.
That's homie right there. He actually dropped some bars about me. Misfit Soto, he dropped bars about me.
Yeah.
N-Dub,
Yeah.
Adrian Aaron, he dropped bars about me. So, you know, there's different things.
Rosenberg, so I got a question. Do you do entertainment law also?
I do not, but if you DM me, I'll get your referral to an entertainment lawyer that I've known for over 10 years.
Oh, yeah, I usually use Gary.
Okay.
yeah, I use Javon Blackmail, so.
Yeah. No, he's a good lawyer. I know who he is. His wife is very well known.
Yeah,
I would say those are good folks.
He got Terrell Brandon off the off that big case.
Have you thought about? Have you thought about doing entertainment law?
I had thought about it. The one that I might get into is more civil rights. You know, police excessive force, things like that. That's something I've considered. Dovetails with my criminal law practice.
Yeah, it seems like you're very passionate about helping people get off, or helping people that are wrongfully accused.
Yeah, well, I mean, like I said, you don't have to be factually innocent to hire a lawyer, right?
Read in between the lines, y'all.
Yes, sir.
So, all right, guys, I'm gonna be wrapping it up in a couple minutes.
No, for sure.
I'm gonna go eat. But let me just leave you with some thoughts here. And that is, in the past few years, I talk about the pendulum swinging towards defendants' rights. And there's been a lot of resentencing options available. So the easiest way to say it is, if you or your loved one was convicted, but they're not the shooter on a murder or a voluntary manslaughter, then you may have action because they've changed some of the laws involving theories of prosecution. So myself, I do not do those cases. We call those post-conviction cases. But it's worth noting, you know, if you have a family member who was convicted of a murder or voluntary manslaughter, maybe under felony murder, or as what we call natural and probable consequences doctrine, it's worth researching if they might have a resentencing claim. And I think that's kind of good for the community to be aware of. And so I just want to pass that along, and if it helps somebody, that's great.
Yeah. But, hold on. I know you gotta go. I got
Hey,
two.
is that Edward?
Hold on. Let me get this out. One, how do you people go about expungement? Are you familiar with the expunging your record? I mean, can we get a little, like, is there somewhere to call a line? Like, how do we do that?
Well, here's what I really recommend, and I answer DMs like that all the time. By the way, I do answer all my own DMs. And I generally refer people to the public defender's office. And the reason why is that A, they won't charge you, and B, they're in court every day, and C, they do these all the time. So let's say you got probation, right? Not prison, but you got probation and you satisfied all your terms of probation. You did everything, no new arrests. Once your probation is over, then you can apply for relief, basically undoing your conviction or plea of no contest or guilt, and you can take it off your record. And we often refer to that as an expungement. So there's also been some changes in the law as it relates to felony convictions for nonviolent offenses. Even if you went to prison, I believe there's a 4 or 5 year washout period. And if you don't have any convictions, some of those new convictions, some of those convictions are now eligible for relief. So if you Google, let's say Los Angeles County, California expungement, you can do some research. And I do recommend the public defenders because it's a fairly simple process. That's the process that I actually did for Conejo. Was I terminated his probation early, and then I was able to take that off his record. So that's the expungement.
Okay.
That's my.
So that goes with if you have strikes or like anything like that, or just non-violent cases. What you're saying?
If you get probation, you're eligible for expungements. There are some non-violent offenses where even if you did not get probation, there's a way to take them off your record, okay, without having to do what we call a certificate of rehabilitation.
What if I was on AB 109, which is considered like probation, but
yeah, I believe it would depend on your precise facts as to how much time you got. But if you can take a look at Penal Code 1203.4 and take a look and see how that applies to you if you're on a realignment conviction.
okay, and this is my last question. Is this for free? Do they do it for free, or would I have to pay for that?
In LA County, they won't charge you. Sometimes in other counties, the public defender is allowed to charge. Think of it like a sliding scale. They won't charge you.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. So look, I'm going to wrap it up.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time, Mr.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, brother.
And like I said, it's important to me to try to give back to the LA community that supported me. So hopefully something was of value to somebody out there.
No, it definitely was.
Thank you.
It definitely was. It definitely was some gems. I appreciate you. Mr. Attorney Rosenberg in the building, man. I appreciate you. Come back. You're welcome anytime on Smutfree TV, Hip Hop Trends Clubhouse, man. Appreciate you, brother.
Hey, Rosenberg, one more thing, Rosenberg, before you go. Could we get a 10% discount for our hip hop trend people?
Well, so the answer is that sometimes you can do better than 10%.
You understand me?
Okay.
Hey, man, I'm being nice.
All right, guys.
Hey, where Rosenberg is that? Edward?
Okay, thank you, brother. Yeah, you have a good one.
Nah, Nicholas.
All right, thank you.
Have a good night.
Nicholas.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, they're my family attorneys right there. You can deal with them folks for you.
Oh, okay. Hey, up top, Rosenberg, leave quietly to the right. To the right. Leave quietly. We trying to
Where
look
the
it
peace sign at?
up.
Hey, so Rock, hey, remember all the things we were hearing, like, oh, it costs money to get shit expunged and everything. We just broke it down. Like, you can get it for free.
Cat, I just told you I just went not too long ago and did that whole shit for free.
Yeah, but y'all type of case, my cases, you know what I mean?
Nah,
you did?
Expunging is expunging, bro. It don't matter the severity of the case, fool.
Yeah,
hey, but it still cost you a couple dollars, though.
People always
still
try
cost
to
you a couple dollars out of
classify.
pocket, though.
I'm a little bit more criminal than you.
Infant.
Felony is a felony, bro.
No, infant. Look, he said like non-violent offenses, you can definitely get them. But he said,
bro, you think I'm talking to you about some non-violent shit?
Shit, you understand? Look, dope cases, non-violence. A 459 is non-violence if there's nobody in the house. Like,
I just went and got violent shit expunged and all that shit, bro. I didn't pay a dime.
Then you didn't have to pay nothing?
I didn't pay a dime, bro. I just told
nigga,
you that.
Hey, look, you gotta show me. Yeah, you gotta show me what it is,
bro. Bro. I don't even want to bring this nigga name up, but
yeah, hit me up later on and let me know.
Nah, nigga ain't scared of nobody. Bro, like I said, the cub was in the room and we was talking about this shit, and I told this nigga I went and got my shit expunged, but it kept popping up when I caught a new case. So he told me the right way to go down there and what to ask for. I don't remember that shit now, but this was probably 5 months ago. It was this year.
I forgot, but the second one he said don't pop up.
Remember, like 2012, they were trying to charge me like $3,500, bro. And he just said nigga could do it for free. Shit, stop.
Yeah, no, hell yeah, that shit's supposed to be for free.
Yeah, he said public defender will do it for free, but a lawyer gonna charge you like a lawyer charge. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I got a family lawyer, so he knew the lawyer I was talking about. That's the one who got the white boy Terrell Brandon off that little 9-0 case. You feel me?
But the crazy part was when he said he didn't take retainers. I never came across a legal, criminal attorney that did take retainers.
That's what he got to say because he's smart. He can't give you a certain retainer fee. It depends on the case. Yeah, so that's what every lawyer.
I'll give you an example. I'll give you an example. Like how my retainer with my lawyer works is every so often. Well, I might say every month. I'm gonna drop $250, $300, right? And then whatever the case winds up coming up to, I already got money. So if he needs to come bail me out, if he needs to get up in the middle of the night, it's already like paid for. It's not like it's not like making up extra go type shit.
That's your family attorney though. Like basically the person's attorney. Like we do that. We do that because we want to keep him on retainer because we know he a good attorney.
Right.
He didn't got us solve something before, but you're not obligated to do that with any attorney. We just do that to keep everything straight. Okay, if anything do happen, you got this back pay. You right. Did? But say nothing happens, then you just paying them for no reason. You know?
Nah, there's always gonna be something to happen.
Shit,
living a life
nigga better keep that. Yeah, keep that. Shit.
There's always gonna be something though. Think about it. You might gotta sue somebody.
But look, you can't expect that, right? Like my bro Rock was telling me, Infant was telling me too. Like you can expect. Look, shit is for defense, not offense, bro. Like the shit we got is for defense, not offense. We're not going to look for something. Now, if something comes, then you gonna have money already saved up for attorney, like you did.
But I know if I'm pushing 100 bags, nigga, every week, every 2 weeks, you know it's gonna come a time to where you're gonna have them, right? So if he's not on retainer, then what makes sure that he's gonna come through for me?
That's what I'm saying. Depends on how long you've been dealing with that person.
It just really depends, bro. Because listen, I had a lawyer I didn't have on retainer, and nigga tell me, nigga, just call him. Nigga, we're gonna figure it out when it get. You know what I'm saying? So some motherfuckers want to help.
I always tell niggas, man, you gotta build the relationship first.
The relationship. Look, but how you build relationships, Infant? By going
to gotta do regular shit. Tap in, holler at it.
Do all the weird shit I was doing. God tell me like, man, fuck that bullshit, nigga. Get on this other shit. And now nigga realize like niggas is right. Like the young homies had to tell a nigga like show a nigga like what's going on. Cause everything else clown shit you did. All this shit for the birds, bro.
Get past that.
Man, niggas is rabbits out here.
You hear me?
You understand me?
That's why I be saying, bro. On crib, a nigga might have didn't like a lot of shit, but on crib, bro, I wouldn't do this shit no other way. Cause on West Crib, the older niggas I had around me at a young age, On West, bro. Niggas wasn't cutting no corners or doing none of this shit niggas is doing now. Like, I'll be mad as fuck if I had to like look up to some of these niggas now and be like, oh, this the big homie or this the big bro or this. Like, I'll be
but
totally
but look how they changed you, Anthony, right? Because now, all right, a motherfucker will have kids, everything like that. Now you go teach your children something way different. You go move them away from it. And you go understand why you seen certain homies with money, like, all right, they might come drop off earners, everything like that, but they're not coming to the hood to hang out because niggas.
But see, this the thing though. I understood that as a youngin' though. You know what I'm saying? So that's why when I did get a certain age, bro, you ain't never heard no niggas say, damn, what's up with Cat, man? Why cuz ain't out here hanging with us?
Yeah.
On West Crib, bro, y'all niggas just knew we was programming. These, bro, y'all already knew, like, these dudes, we pulling up for, like, bro, niggas already, so why do I care, like, if I pull up to the hood and don't see certain big homies?
But guess what?
I got put on.
That nigga always got to be with the right ones, right? Because everybody thinks they bigger than the program, no matter what, bro. But ain't nobody bigger than the program. But that shit for the birds, like I said. Look, I'm not teaching my kids nothing like that. Look, my son's an honorable student, like, you know. So
taco in the burrito,
man. Extra salsa.
This nigga stupid. Who the fuck?
Hey, oh God, look, you need to go to a taco truck right now on the corner.
Hey, but
I've been fucking El Unicorn for like 3 days.
Oh my God, this nigga right here, he gets stuck on so. Come fucking eat that shit every day, nigga.
Straight off the street. Hey, Nick, look, hey, for some reason, look, they ain't sick or nothing, but they got more flavor on their food.
Hey, did you go to fucking Taco Bell after we went that one day? Did you go back the next day?
I went back, got a bowl.
Taco Bell, smacking.
No, listen. No, we went one day to go get some tacos. Cuz say he never tried the tacos. It was like, man, it
wasn't that I ain't tried them. It's just I've been having braces for a while, so I ain't really been fucking with no hard shells.
Oh yeah, I forgot to get
tacos. I'm like, yeah, fuck it, like, give me a steak one, cuz, bro. I got the car, bro. I said, God damn, I forgot how far this nigga shit.
But niggas already know what the best taco was over there. That house of what's that? House of Mama's.
Oh, House of Taco.
Ooh, over there in Harlem. That shit.
Yeah, House of Don's.
House of Don's over 3 days a week. Only.
House of Taco go crazy. I'm talking about House of Taco in Inglewood.
Oh no, he's talking about House of Don's.
I ain't been there.
It used to be next to Church of Chicken.
Yeah, but they're right next to churches. But see, remember it was shutting down and everything. Like
where the fuck is it? The churches in Harlem?
Right there on Jeff, Jeff and fucking Western.
Jeff and Western, cuz?
Yeah. All right, why really pass Holy Name?
Churches, nigga?
Churches Chicken, nigga, next to the liquor store. What?
Western and Jeff, bro.
Where the corner. Yeah, where the car wash is, all that. Yeah.
Nah, Starbucks across the street now.
Son, get that fucking chicken I just paid for. You know about this woman in the stuff? Yeah, I just paid $100.
This nigga cat.
No, this nigga, look, bro. He just asked for some food from a spot, right? We got a whole freezer, deep freeze, everything full of food. I go get him this shit. The shit $40, $50. This nigga want to go warm up a burrito, and he got a whole thing here, biscuits, crunchy chicken.
Hell no.
Bro,
I ain't gonna lie, that used to be my shit when it first came.
Ooh, is it? They just built one over here, nigga. Oh God,
bro, them blueberry muffins or whatever the fuck.
Listen,
man, y'all niggas be killing me with that shit. No, man.
Hey, them blueberry muffin joints, bro, whatever that. I think it's like blueberry cornbread, bro. That shit retarded.
Hey, and I have to put some of that honey butter sauce on too.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta put all that shit up, bro. That shit crazy. niggas don't be knowing, bro. That's why niggas don't be going to spots, bro.
Crispy Crunchy Chicken. Man, every time I see Crispy Crunchy Chicken, it's at a gas station somewhere. Cause that shit be looking old. I'm like,
you know where the first one was in LA? Well, I don't know if it's LA, but right here in the section. Nigga, inside the sloth, nigga.
Oh yeah, I seen it. Yeah, on me in the back. In the back.
I used to go to one over there in the Hoovers. That motherfucker was cracking.
No, the one in the back of the Slauson was nigga treacherous, nigga.
Oh yeah, I definitely would have one that went there. Too much trouble.
I remember one time we went up in there, niggas, gang of brim niggas right there, nigga, the tattoo shop right next to Crispy Crunchy, bro.
Man.
Nigga, they in that motherfucker gang deep, nigga. I'm like, bro, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. We ordered our shit, didn't even go back and get it, girl.
Man, you niggas couldn't get a cookie from the snack bar. Them niggas, all them niggas up in there.
Bro, listen, we didn't have no thing or nothing, bro. Like that.
I would have went up there.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga. We was standing right there, low ball, just ordering, nigga. Huh? I said we was low ball standing right there, spooked ordering, bro. It's about 15 niggas in that tattoo shop, nigga. It's just me and the homie, cuz.
But yeah, y'all wasn't busy down.
Nah, we wasn't. Nope. We didn't have a hamburger, cuz.
Lupe, you missed your homeboy. Just got up out of here.
Oh man, I missed it.
Yeah, good looking though. Came through, chopped.
Oh, you already know, bro.
You already know.
Nipper, bro.
Neighborhood, bro. That's
neighborhood, bro.
Neighborhood, bro. Funky neighbors, bro.
Hey, you like that song, bro?
You crazy, Lupe be cracking though. She got some songs. He said Lupe, Chucky Davis.
Look at us first. Taco stand,
Big booty, such a little flow.
Yeah.
That's it hard. That's it hard.
Big booty chickens at the taco stand, Lupe. And make it on 58, boy. The other one used to be on 58th and Western.
Hey, Lupe. Hey, that nigga you did the podcast with 4X's. That ain't like you ain't the host up there.
Say it again.
The nigga you went and shot the podcast with 4X's. You ain't the host up there or what?
With Jinx.
Yeah.
Oh, he wanted to be the host.
Oh yeah, Jinx. Yeah, I think you should run that.
Hell yeah, that's smart.
I might do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Probably like one.
That nigga 4X's is funny as fuck, bro.
Oh yeah, he's funny as fuck, bro.
He gonna be a little sensation, man. That nigga had too much energy, boy.
Man, you should have seen when I did the honey pack. When it did the honey pack little video.
That's the one had me wrong.
That shit had me crying. That shit had me crying.
Really like that too. When I get really like that, bro. Cut like
that nigga said, when I get
really like that,
bro. Boozed up.
Beat up and bruised up is crazy.
He's like that sober. He don't drink or smoke.
That nigga said,
don't drink, don't smoke, just kill. I swear to God,
that nigga said, I took one honey pack, man. That didn't do shit, nigga. So you feel me? 1.5. I went and took another one, nigga. I took like another half of that motherfucker, bro. 40 crib, nigga. That nigga said, nigga, I was up in that motherfucker. That nigga said, I'll beat the bitch down and do it. I said, bro, 40 crib, nigga, I never nutted.
Look, on hood, look. I think that's where 4-Leaf and Extras get their shit from. Look, I mean, 4-Leaf and Touche get their shit from, because Extras, nigga, Cup is just like that, nigga, real life.
Been like that, he's really like that, bro.
Cut on your shaky, Cut just like that, niggas like that.
Nah, yeah, if you've been knowing, Cub, bro, that nigga been a fool. Now, what I didn't know, what I didn't know, I didn't know that nigga was a complete sober nigga. I didn't know that.
Oh yeah,
bro, he don't do. Look, that's what I'm saying. Look, a nigga think he off meth, bro. That nigga don't do no drugs, bro. He just live. That's why Touche and Foley was like that. I swear to God, cuz like them niggas live like that.
What Touche?
Yeah, that's my boy. I talk to him every day, bro. You know what I'm saying?
And for he's
real active. He's real active, bro. He's
you can't say that one active yet. Look.
I'm gonna tell him to come on the clubhouse. I'm gonna tell him how to do it.
Hey, you gonna have that when you're talking.
Hey, the last nigga she brought on when she brought on Baby Runner, that shit was crazy.
Man, Baby Runner, my nigga. Hey, Baby Runner is my goon.
Baby Runner out here, we're gonna do some skits. He's funny as fuck.
Hey, that nigga Baby Runner, Squally them, man, them my lows, bro. Hey, you remember Bandit? You know Bandit and them got a baby by the homegirl, right?
Oh, okay.
Look.
Hell yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Man. We live right now. Smutfree TV, Hip Hop Trends Clubhouse. You understand? Reshare the room, pig up, do whatever you can right now. You already know we just did the interview with Attorney Rosenberg, famous LA lawyer, man, out the LA district, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check him out on Instagram, Attorney Rosenberg. You understand me? If you got any questions, trying to retain him. He don't do retainers, but he'll work with you. He'll work with you. And I think when he was saying he don't take returners, I think he's saying, baby, because it's like, shit, nigga, either you got it or you don't, and I could represent you only so far. You know what I'm saying? For a little bit of nothing. That's what I got from it. I don't know what y'all got from it. But that's what I got when he was saying that he don't take retainers, and basically I'll represent you like pre-trial and certain shit if you ain't got no money. You know what I'm saying? Versus you paying a retainer and then you never paying me. You know what I'm saying? You putting some money down.
But the retainer rocket, it goes towards payment. You know what I'm saying? So if my case costs 10 grand and I already been paying 5, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that shit kind of slapping ass though, bro. Hey, then look, it depends on what kind of case you got, bro. If you give me, if your case 10,000, nigga, I had to put down 55 grand. So. And nigga, we've been doing this shit, and nigga just been holding this retainer for 2-3 years, bro. I'm losing.
I mean,
yeah, I can see it that way.
If
money lose value. If money do lose value at times, you know what I mean? So I guess.
If he's your family lawyer, you straight though. You feel me? If that's somebody you know you can go.
That's why I would probably have a nigga. I mean, but that retainer shit work for who it works for though. Like,
if you get in trouble,
it ain't bad. It ain't bad if you know what I'm saying. Now, I will say, if you a nigga out here that's really active and really like, you know what I'm saying, you for sure should be having that type of shit around. Like, but for niggas that's just getting in the shit every blue moon, like, you might want to go have a family lawyer, because the average nigga, they just gonna want to take your little motherfucker.
Ain't gonna want to put that 10 bands out straight.
Say you give a nigga a 10-piece, nigga, and then you cut the case, nigga. And that motherfucking case is retarded, nigga. Like, nigga, you gotta cough up another dub, nigga.
Nigga, another 40. What you mean a dub?
No, I just kept it light. I'm just saying,
you still gotta keep you working. It make you start working right now. You ain't gotta wait till I come up with some bread for you.
It make the nigga work right now, but nigga, that's what 2-3 court dates, nigga.
I guarantee you, Lupe got a retainer right now.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, nigga, I don't know. Like I said, bro, that shit work for who it works for, though.
Oh no, I got a lawyer out here. This nigga told me, he like, look, anything happen, just call me. He like, I'm gonna come get you and we work it out later. I'm like,
yeah, that's the niggas that cool.
Need. Yeah, that's the homie type. Like, yeah, I know you.
No, he got my nigga. But hold on. But no, I'm gonna get cuz. I'm gonna holler at cuz, bro. I like cuz. I'm gonna shed light on that nigga. I got a whole idea for sure. But no, what I'm saying is, I know that lawyer because he got my nigga off 10 years. You feel me? My nigga was facing 10 years, boom, this and that. I got in a little situation, I had hollered at him, you feel me? He didn't even want no dough. He like, look, if anything happened, he gave me the advice, he didn't charge me for no counsel, nothing, you feel me? Everything, nigga went up to his office, hollered. He like, look, just stay clear. If anything happened, I'm gonna come get you, and then we'll just work it out as we go. I'm like, cool, for sure. Shit, that was the best shit, that was the best relief ever. Nigga, I got cuz on speed dial. I got cuz on speed dial. You said what? Oh, that nigga cat talking to his son.
I know, I was talking to my son. Yeah, my fault, y'all.
Cat having a lot of domestic going on,
Cat talking crazy over there.
No, I'm telling my son, you know, gotta keep him militant, you know.
How old is he, girl?
12. Oh, bro. But you know, look, it must be some in the water right now with these kids, bro. I swear to God.
Boy, listen. Damn, niggas getting old, cuz. Niggas got kids 10, 12 around this month.
I ain't gonna hold you. I wish I would have had my first one at like 17 or something. Yeah, homie.
My shit been cut off. What?
Hey, you feeling it now, okay?
Nah, I ain't feeling shit.
I'm just saying, like, you know.
No, I only said that. I only said that because I just be always thinking about when I was a kid, and niggas' parents was coming up to the school for them. Crib, like
we actually did better than a lot of niggas though. Cause I
did good as a motherfucker.
I thought for sure you gonna have baby by big old crib. Cause listen,
a lot of niggas just knew I was gonna have that shit a long time ago.
But look, listen, I thought I did good. I had my 24, 25. I thought I held off.
I'm the last
niggas having babies since they were 16, 17 forever.
Bro, I'm the last nigga in my pack to have a kid, nigga.
Yeah, crazy. I know.
My whole circle, nigga, didn't have
everybody.
No, but I'm saying, but you see how it is when you have a kid and how you want to change them from what you done, and you know what I mean. But it ain't nothing but a cycle.
Gonna lie, Cat. I ain't even been thinking about that shit.
Hey, don't you get that gorilla? Get that gorilla. Go get that match.
I ain't even been thinking about that shit, cause it's like I start thinking about that shit when the niggas. When they get to that, like
right now you just gotta enjoy her, be a hoe.
I ain't got none of them nigga speeches, none of that shit.
Yeah. I mean,
it happens, bro. I ain't about to sit here and lie, bro.
Listen, when they start talking though, that's when it's gonna change. Trust me.
Hey, no, I'm saying, look, all the youngs, right? Like, I ain't never put my hands on my youngs, right? I used to get fucked up, right? But you know how it made me, right? But when you switch it up and don't put your hands on your youngs, they turn out different, bro. Like my son's school smart, everything, bro. But I seen a nigga Instagram, bro, be a whole different way, my nigga. Like, you feel me?
That's all the homies' kids right now, nigga.
Man, look, he got the street smart plus the school smart. I mean, I seen this nigga throwing the game sign out there and slap.
I was just gonna say that, nigga. We just was looking at the homies' kids. They ain't think niggas found their IGs, nigga. What, these niggas on that motherfucker gang banging, like, not really, but really, like, nigga, crip walking.
But look, around us, so
they ain't get around the parents and be niggas square.
Man.
But what the fuck we was doing?
Niggas doing the same.
So
I wouldn't do the same. Look, my people knew what I was doing, shit.
No, but I'm saying that don't even.
My people knew what I was doing because my whole family from the hood.
That don't got nothing to do with parenting though. Like, you dig what I'm saying? A motherfucker always gonna imitate what they see at school, bro.
Motherfucker gonna do what they want to do, bro.
Yeah, they supposed to imitate what they see at home. Like, we imitate what we see in the streets, bro. Not at school.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Your child is in another nigga care from 5th grade. I mean, from 1st grade to 12th, nigga. They are with somebody else, 8 nigga more than you. So they only go imitate.
They at school like a job, 8 hours a day.
Nigga, we at school 8 hours a day, nigga.
Yeah. Especially out here, they don't get out till about 4 o'clock out here.
And so that's what I'm saying. Nigga, don't be on one of them block schedules, stupid ass type shit, none of that. Like, you at school all motherfucking day. And then don't start playing those sports, because nigga, school get out at 3. You ain't getting home till 6, 7.
About 6.
Yeah, because you playing
sports. That keep them busy, though.
Nigga, so of course when they get home, nigga, they ain't seeing none of that. Man, Pop's tired. Pops just got home from work. Mom's cooking. Nigga, all it is, hey, son, how was your day? Everything straight? You good? Da-da-da-da. Nigga, Pops go back to his room, son on the game, on the cell phone, nigga. Pops went to sleep, Mom's went to sleep.
Look, see,
waking up to go to school,
that's your family. Like, my family different. Like,
nigga, that's every family. Y'all just did that shit right.
Check me out,
You just broke down the whole rundown right now.
That's everybody's family, bro.
Brought my son food. He ain't here watching this little game of phone or whatever. I'm back. I go back to my room, talking shit on it. You know what I mean? It's so many components to this shit, bro.
All right, check me out. Look, that's how you are with your family. Like, how I am with my family.
It's no choice. If you ain't selling drugs, you go to work, nigga. You ain't got no choice.
Look, listen, I keep it 100 with my kids. They know everything about everything. Look, they know how to use pistols, everything.
Nah, that ain't what we talking about, Cat.
No, look. I'm talking about life. I teach them everything that I know. Plus, I teach them the good and the bad, bro. I'll be honest with them, not like a friend, like a fucking parent.
And that's what I'm saying. Guess
what? Look. I was smoking when I was 9 years old, nigga. Like, my people from Belize. So my grandfather, my first joint, nigga, when I was 9. So I was telling my son, like, you ain't gotta be on the street smoking niggas. I'd rather your friends be at the house so I can monitor niggas and do what they do. Cause guess what? If I tell you no, you can't do it, you go do it on the street and they get in trouble. You understand me? So everybody raise their kids different, bro.
Nah, listen, this is what I'm saying. I wasn't saying niggas niggas ain't raising them or niggas raise them different. No matter the household, this is what I'm saying. If it's a 2-parent household, you're working, mom's working, and this nigga's at school and playing sports, your child is in somebody's care more than you. So that little time or that little window from him getting home from practice at 6 o'clock, nigga, you not getting home till 7, 8 o'clock. That little window of you talking to him or showing them how to fire a gun or telling them how to fight or da-da-da, that's still not what a nigga finna see at school. You doing that for a couple hours a night, nigga. Then maybe on weekends, cause you probably not even having them talks on weekends, cause niggas is going out. You might have a family trip. But then when the nigga get back to school, bro, I'm with the homie. I'm with nigga. Picture this. I'm going with my parents, and I'm with you. I'm with a nigga like you all day, every day. During nigga, you at my house to come to school. We got them in the same classes, nigga. We walk, bro. I'm with you all day. So that means if you the older bro or whatever the case may be, I'm imitating you. Yes, whatever my people show me at the crib, yeah, I'm that in. Yeah, that's free game. But still, nigga, I'm looking up to niggas in the streets. Like, I'm doing that type of shit. Yeah. Of course, we gonna come back to the house and be a good kid to the parents or whatever the case may be. We gonna hide it as much as possible. Not even hide it. But whenever you give me your sons them talks about the pistols and how to do this, of course, you supposed to tell the nigga real. I'm just speaking on while a nigga at these schools, look, most of the day, it's too much shit for a nigga to be seeing on a daily basis.
I didn't realize parents were different, right? Like, all right, my son asked, can he go spend on his friend's house? I'm like, yeah, well, something happened, right? I get a call from another parent. So I'm like, oh, let me go check on my son, right? It's like 10 o'clock at night. I go to people's house. They don't know where my son is or their child is. I'm like, what type of parents do that? Like, it's 10 o'clock at night. You like, no, like, this how I was raised, right? So I'm tripping now, right? I'm tripping. I go around looking, and find him, boom. Nigga, hey, you gotta go. Look, I'm about to drop your friend off. You gotta come home, nigga. This ain't happening no more ever. Cause look, your friends come over here, guess what? I gotta talk to their parents first. They gonna know that they straight over here. They go eat, they go wash their ass, they go do everything. When they gonna leave here the same way they came. You understand me? Now, say something would have happened to my child when he was out, and the mama don't even know where either one of them are. You did? Now it's a situation, bro. Like, you did?
That's a fact. I mean, we all did that too, though. We did that same mistake too. We all did it. Like, this shit.
Look, guess what? We had age to where we can prevent it from our kids.
Nah, you ain't gonna prevent that, bro.
No. I feel what you're saying, because we can't, because our parents was telling us this, our grandparents, everybody. It's a cycle, right? But guess what? I'm gonna be all in my son, all my kids' face like an angry coach, bro. Woo, woo, woo. I'm gonna be talking shit in their face like an angry coach.
As you should. Because that's what I'm saying. Right? Then they gonna get the picture after that. Like, let a nigga, I'm a firm believer of letting a nigga bump his head, bro. Because when a nigga bump that head and then you come give him that talk.
What if you let them bump their head and they die or something like that? Because they don't know. A motherfucker, look, they might think because you didn't taught them how to fight or something like that. They might think.
Well, no, I'm not speaking on it. I'm just saying,
16 like, and something happened. Like, you did. This is what I'm saying, Anthony. Never let your child go through what you went through.
Final destination type of shit, bro.
No, I'm not talking final. What I'm talking about is real life, nigga. Everyday life in the street.
But I know, but nigga be walking in that aspect. We on some.
How many kids do we know?
In that aspect, we on some final destination.
Look. When I was young, right, my big homie died. He was only 15. Right? Ken dog get killed in the alley. Like, you feel me? This is my low, bro. Like, so like, what you mean? Like, it don't matter what age you are, bro. I was only 15, my nigga. Like, I'll be damned if the police come to my house like, hey, your son is shot or he's in jail, bro. So whether I gotta talk to him all day, be in his face, prevent him from doing shit, whoop his ass, whatever, that's what the fuck I'm gonna do. Because I'm gonna have to save him, bro. You feel me? Once I save him, once he gets a certain age, he gonna realize like that.
All you gotta do is keep your nose in his business and monitor his friends, nigga.
Yeah, see, but I don't know about the social media shit. Like, the homies been teaching me this shit.
No, let them use social media.
Hey, it's niggas
just monitor their friends and monitor their conversations and shit.
Hey, Cat, no bullshit, bro. It's niggas like you, on West Beat. Like, this is why I'm always hip to a lot of shit. Cause not like that, you ain't that much older than me, but I always be on some like, damn, like, even when my pops come fuck with me. Tell them how you use the phone. I'm like, bro, why'd you beg me to buy you this phone, nigga?
You feel me?
To learn how to use it, nigga. Like, every time I see you, bro, you ask me how to do something. Nigga, when you go home, bro, play with this motherfucker, bro.
Yeah. But
So
look,
I'm saying, like,
you
when I'm
niggas
doing
know
shit
my
like
pop.
that,
Look,
and I'm
you
hearing
niggas
that.
know my pops and know where he at, right? And
No, but this is what I'm saying. This is why I make sure that I'm up to every. Bro, I'm probably gonna be the old nigga that still know how to play the game, still know how to use the phone, still know how to play with the internet, all that.
Cat.
I remember when I thought Turk was proper. Yeah.
You gotta change your PCR for me, bro.
How I do that?
Your picture, I don't know what the fuck you got on there, but you need to change it because they saying that
He
shit.
got a little girl on there. That's his
Okay. Okay. It was something at first that's it's saying 18. Oh yeah, because it's a kid.
They block kids pictures too now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so change it. So change it. Because my boy is saying that it's not gonna make YouTube.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey, then on top of that, cat, you know what the daughter on there, man.
Yeah, niggas play too much on here.
Hell no, niggas play
too much. But you know, look, I'm really with the boy. Look, come on now.
Yeah, bro. You can't beat the internet.
We can prevent it. Listen,
yeah, I feel what y'all saying. Oh, yeah,
we already know. We already know shit, but if we can prevent it to stop you from being in some bullshit, might as well prevent it, bro.
Damn, I wish I would have seen that earlier. We might gotta figure out
this motherfucker has shit back, you niggas.
I'm gonna edit it somehow.
I'll do it.
Well, niggas popping up in here.
Hey, I'm up to the link in the chat.
Hold on. Niggas popping up.
Yo, what's the word? Salute.
Niggas popping up in here. What's happening? What's happening, nigga?
This nigga.
Hold on. Huh?
Hold on. Why you so with
Hold on. But Chuck, so what's happening? Cause you ain't never pulled up in a minute,
you
nigga.
Pulling up for, bro?
That's for the clout chaser. I'll pull up here and there, bro. I'll just be in the goo.
Man, come on, Chuck. Come on,
y'all
bro.
be politicking. Ain't real talk. I be coming here. Niggas don't send me no invite. I just be in the goo.
Chuck, you stop fucking with a nigga. Let's keep it real, Chuck.
Oh, I be on my other page.
You switched it up on me, Chuck.
Burner, Big Chuck. No, I didn't, Rockstar.
Chuck,
I told you from the
switched
gate.
up on me.
You said, hey, you said, look, bro, you remember you told me, you was like, yeah, Chuck, you ain't gonna be over here that much because I fuck with dude, right? I'm like, yeah, facts, bro. Like, that's what it was, bro. Come on, bro.
I mean,
knew that from the gate.
I know you don't fuck with Cub, but at the same time, nigga, it's times you can come in the room, you can came in the room, Cub, not in here, nigga.
I ain't came in the room, bro. I be in the group.
Man.
I ain't never seen him.
Real talk.
Nah, he come in time to time. I see him.
No, remember the Bumpy Johnson movie? I ain't never seen it.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'll be hounding the group, bro. I don't really be seeing.
Oh, man.
Hey, bro, maybe that's the time you ain't about to phone or something, because don't nobody send me no invite. I just be down there. Yeah, shit, I listen, then I get up out. Then I usually check your shit out on YouTube, though. You know what I'm saying? Like I said from the gate. That
Respect.
You know, shit, I ain't like it ain't even that. I got an issue with motherfucking Buddy, right? But at the end of the day, bro, I ain't finna be in no rooms with him so he can line me up. You feel? Ain't gonna be like, bro, I do this internet shit.
Respect. Niggas been doing internet shit for years.
Exactly. So I know where not to go.
No, all right, Chuck, you straight. Hey, Neat, what's going on? You Neat?
Unique.
Yeah.
How can I help you?
Nah, I'm just getting. I mean, you was kicking down Big Ant, all type of niggas, man. What happened?
Drive-through.
What's going on?
Damn, cuz Unique.
Come on, Unique. You can't be abusing. You can't be abusing. Listen, Unique. You can't be abusing that green bean.
Who is these clubhouse snitches?
Man, listen. I don't know.
There's a lot of them. I ain't gonna hold you.
Unless the same rules I'm not.
Unique. If we told you who was snitching
for years, right?
Wait,
we tell you who's snitching, that means we snitching.
Anyway, so I wasn't going for the bullshit yesterday.
But I'm saying though, so you was kicking Big Ant down. Big Ant was disrespecting. Big Ant was disrespectful.
He was being hella fucking rude. Shit. We talking, we having a conversation.
Nah, he ain't get disrespectful. It was just over the talking over each other shit.
Yeah, you can't come on, man.
You can't kick nobody down for that.
Unique said one mic.
But I'm not one of them type of people. Like, I'm not going to keep on repeating myself over and over again. And you saying some more weird shit.
Said one mic.
I'm supposed to say one mic?
No, so you kicking motherfuckers. You saying one mic. Nigga can't talk over you though.
Yeah, like I wasn't trying to kick about the
Yeah, mute them or something.
I don't know how to mute them.
Or was you kicking niggas because they weren't talking about what you wanted them to talk about? Because you ain't kick your boy Comey. You ain't kick your boy Comey, and he talked over niggas all night, bro.
On God, Comey for sure was talking over niggas.
I need that nigga Mike, bro. All fucking night, bro.
Nigga,
Mike. That
nigga Comey.
Hey, somebody bring up my boy Ghost.
Hold on. If a nigga want to talk about a nigga being disrespectful or a nigga, bro, that nigga ain't let nobody say nothing.
Yeah, bro. She ain't kick him, though.
Cuz ain't get kicked one time.
So that's cap. What you telling him, though? That's cap.
Comey ain't get
I don't
kicked
even
one time.
understand what y'all talking about right now.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, all right.
Talking about
All right, let's talk baseball.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Who else was talking? Like,
Hey, Bolo, what's up? What's up, KK?
Hey, you know, Comey from her side of town.
Yeah, I'm already knowing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why she ain't tell that nigga to shut the fuck up. Okay, it all makes sense. Say
nigga, I went to sleep on y'all. What are you even talking about? He was in here refereeing. Actually, he was trying to get us to come to a medium.
He was calling you drunk.
We just gotta be cool because I'm trying to run my people's aunt came in, ran off. We ran in off. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't ran that nigga.
Niggas been getting run off.
She done ran up wild.
I didn't run him nowhere.
It might be because he's from the South, bro. I understand. It might be
talking about niggas. We were talking about Tupac getting the street named after him, and he was talking about motherfuckers in his city getting the
Hold on, cuz. Wait, what? Who getting the street where?
Tupac got one in.
Tupac has a street in
Tupac
right?
Shakur Way.
Oh, if he got it in the Bay, I don't get no fuck. I thought y'all was talking about how
I believe it because look, he came from the Bay. Then it's Obama.
Man, get that fuck shit out of here. We don't want no street named after cuz out here, bro. Get that fuck shit out of here.
You can get it.
What?
I think you can get it.
Why you having Tupac for? Hold on. You need talking.
So what happened was, so then he was talking about motherfuckers getting a day in Houston that's not from Houston. So I was trying to explain to him how the shit goes because people be under the fucking impression that, the mayor just woke up and said, hey, I think we should just put a Tupac street out here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like how to, it go through a lot of hands and shit. And so that's pretty much what it was. He was irritating me because he didn't know what the fuck he was talking about. And then it got to some old negative, woe is me ass motherfucking white man talk that that shit get on my fucking nerve. So my thing was,
what about the shit you said that got on our nerve though?
But okay.
What about that?
You motherfuckers always coming
if you gonna lay it out, Don't do that.
But if I'm talking about something, if I'm talking about something that I know about that you don't know shit about, then you should fucking yield, nigga. Shit. And my whole thing with him was
wait a minute.
It was a nigga from Vallejo that sparked that whole shit. So all I was saying is, if you got an issue with something like that, or you got somebody else in your city that you feel like deserves it, all you got to do is go to the fucking powers that be. Anything else is bullshit. I don't want to hear that shit. It's people like myself that get up and go outside and figure it out. What's going on in my motherfucking community? I don't want to hear nobody fucking telling me, complaining about some motherfucking shit that you ain't trying to be a part of.
But listen.
That's what the conversation is.
Okay. Besides that conversation, right? I just want to, I understand how you is when people get rude as far as saying like bitches and shit like that, and and when people say trigger words like kill, we got that understanding. Okay, you can shoot motherfuckers, you can do that, but just don't when niggas that be coming here every day and having people debates. Just leave that shit be. Either mute them or you go on mute. Leave that shit alone. You can't control it. I just wouldn't be kicking them off. You know what I'm saying? Kicking them down because then they feel like, oh, well, you letting me get kicked down. I gotta hear this shit. So, let's just keep that shit fair and square.
This nigga said fair and square. What happened?
See what be happening sometimes, niggas.
Hey, Atlanta, kick back.
Females that they can
just said what happened. How come you kick back so I can't?
Nah, just act like you ain't heard nothing, bro.
Act like nothing.
Yeah, just act like you ain't hear nothing like everybody else, bro. Goddamn. If you want to turn up at this point, we can have it. No,
All right, Daddy.
No, we can have it talk.
Nah. We getting into topics. We getting in these topics.
I'm taking up.
What talk do we need to have?
Hold back, Rock.
What
we doing?
What talk do we need
to
have?
Ain't no talk.
He needs to talk to me.
We're trying to have one mic.
Ain't no talk. We doing the hot topics right now. You understand me? So the latest news: Rollo is out. Rollo is home. Rollo put up right to the projects. Didn't waste no time. Nigga put up like the president. You understand me? Nigga didn't waste no time. Nigga shooting videos. Nigga in the middle of Atlanta shooting videos. He already kind of slicked this CMG, saying that he fuck with Young Dolph. He would never sign with CMG. So I mean, what y'all think? Goldmouth came on my live today. Shout out Goldmouth from Famgoon. You feel me? He was right there when he came home. Feel me? He said they getting to it, man. They just staying on the positive shit. All the other shit is for the bullshit, for the birds. As we know, yesterday somebody came out with paperwork that was live from the feds, showing Rollo's paperwork, showing that he didn't tell, basically, that he's not a snitch. You feel me? So, what y'all think about this, man? Rollo home, man. I hear crickets, man.
Hey, he went to the project that he owned. Then he bought the shit.
So the shit was shit about that shit, bro. I'm from LA, bro.
No. This is what I want to know. He went to the same project that he owned before he went to jail.
Yeah. I don't know, Bolo. Bolo would know.
Nah. He was over in the Bluff, bro.
He was in the Bluff.
Hey, look.
The apartment complex. Where's the apartment complex? That's where he went to.
I seen Rollo at the after hours out here, and the people he was fucking with was some real niggas. So I'm assuming he a real nigga.
That right, Cat.
He had to be something because look, the same niggas that was fucking with, they ain't gonna fuck with no suckers, bro. I'm telling you. Look,
that right, Cat.
Look. I'm talking about before Rollo came, right?
They Muslim, bro. They gonna speak with they
look, Rollo, he gotta be somebody to fuck with the niggas I know. He gotta be. I'm talking about like a general, the motherfucking lieutenant over there. You understand me? No, for real. No, like, this ain't no joke. Like,
man, listen, the nigga pulled up like the fucking president. Nigga put up in 4 fucking Escalades, 5-6 Escalades on the block.
So that should tell you right there.
After with shooters,
what gonna be warranted.
Hold on. Did you see the nigga, the security guard tied his shoe? Did y'all see that clip?
He was doing that thing when he left.
I saw that.
What?
First of all, if another grown man tie your shoe, who run?
I ain't fucking with that.
Hey, that nigga was security.
Bring the ODM Slim.
Bro, niggas from Atlanta.
Yeah, Chuck.
From Atlanta been doing saucy shit.
Hey, Bolo, what you was saying?
No, I was just saying he was looking like when he was in LA, he was looking like how I be looking, right? I be with the real niggas, right?
Oh God, look. Right? I'm talking about he in the after hours. He only with like 2 niggas, right? But he had it's the homie after hours. And the homie nigga got money, right?
Wake it up, Cat.
And the homie for Swans, right? The homie of blood, right? But he be having so many crazy, like different niggas around him, right? But he was up in there. Look. The homie I'm talking about, boy, he the Birdman out here. Niggas ain't even gonna know. Like, you feel me? So I guarantee that nigga was doing something to where he's straight. You did? And not no
red shit. What we talking about? A nigga tying the nigga shoe?
Look,
man, bro, man, don't do that. No, are we talking about a nigga tying it? Are we really like what are you talking about?
Yeah, man, they talking about protecting the bag. Look,
are y'all the It sound like to me niggas trying to justify a nigga getting the shoes tied. Like
Bolo, look. The bag is out. Bolo, the bag is out. Everybody else talking shit now. Guess what? They bowing down.
Fuck all that. What's up with this shoe tying shit though?
He was a security guard. He was security.
I wouldn't give a bullshit ass nigga rock for that, but I like that rock.
Who was security? The nigga who tied the shoes though.
Yeah, the nigga that was tied his shoe was security, cuz. That
The nigga who tied his shoe was smart.
He was over.
Hey, that shit tight to y'all niggas, huh?
Nah. I thought it was funny.
Hey, Polo, that shit fly you up.
I thought it was over secured. I thought he was over secured.
Nah.
The nigga who tied his shoe is that
bullshit.
Wow.
Suckers with
Fuck the
you,
nigga that tied you.
Yeah, I ain't let my nigga do no goof shit.
Hey,
like
check this out. If you go tie my shoes, just give me a back rub.
Nigga, light my blunt, nigga, tie my shoes, just pull up my collar, nigga, all that, nigga.
Hey, man, my son had me tie his shoes this morning.
Yeah, baby. Come on,
light my cigar, nigga. Light my cigar, nigga. Open my car door and open the restaurant door, nigga.
Hey, Infant, guess what? When you broke and a nigga paying you $5,000 a week, then you go tie his shoe and you go.
Nah, nigga, I'd rather die.
He got the trash. Look, God, I got the bro. I swear to God.
Bro, right? Look,
hey, nigga, I ain't fucked up by being broke.
You
hold on, listen here, nigga. Let me tell y'all niggas something. When I speak, hey, listen here, nigga, it's death before the son, nigga, on everything, nigga. That's a grown man talking to you, nigga. I ain't never tied no other nigga's shoe, nigga. The only man here to get his tied shoe is my motherfucking
Indians, ain't. Knock it off.
You say what you say, nigga?
This nigga
I said too many chiefs, not enough Indians. Nigga, know your role.
Hey, no, nigga, you know your role, clown. You know your role.
Yeah, I didn't even call you no clown. I didn't even disrespect your little.
No, you just told me no. It's not. You said know your role. Too many chiefs, not enough Indians. Nigga.
Yeah, nigga, I said know your role. You a boss and you a chief.
Listen, bro.
If
I
you
don't want a nigga. Hold on, listen here,
bitch, nigga. Watch who you talking
put
to,
this nigga down. He always get mad trying to come at a nigga on.
Nah, nigga, you went there first, nigga.
Cause you told me know my role,
nigga. If you a chief or you an Indian?
Nigga, never, nigga.
Are you a chief or you an Indian?
Hey, listen here. Hold on. Let me tell you. Hold on. I'm gonna say this and I'm muting up. I'm gonna say this and I'm muting up. It ain't nothing for me to talk about. Let me say this and I'm muting up. Y'all got it. I don't want a nigga around me who gonna let me tell him to tie his shoe, nigga.
Hey, for 10 bands, big ass.
But you ain't the first.
I don't give a fuck.
We ain't tied niggas no shoes, cuz. We not doing that, cuz.
Hey, nigga, you was looking at a juice of weed and get some money. You can't be around me, bro.
Hey, nigga ain't asked that man to tie his shoe, nigga. He did that out of his own honor, nigga. Don't worry about
nigga,
that.
I'm telling you, no, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Can't no nigga do that for me, nigga.
What? He giving you 10 bands a week. You the store runner. You got to get all the burritos, all the tacos, rub shoulders. 10 bands a week.
I for sure rather go get burritos and tie no man's shoes, bro. I for sure rather go get the burritos and shit before I tie the shoes.
Shoes for years for free.
For real. What you talking about? Bro, I for sure rather go get backwoods, burritos, coffee, donuts, all that before I tie niggas' shoes.
Hey, but look, 10 bands a week, Anthony.
I ain't doing none of that.
Whoa, Jack, what is you?
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. I'm sending you.
No, you ain't giving me 5.
Give me a cheesecake, Infant. Infant, give me a cheesecake. You go to 5 bands. Guess what? You had 2 minutes for it.
Bro, listen. Hey, listen, hold on. Listen.
Cheesecake like you love daddy.
No, listen. You know why I go get the cheesecake?
Because you want one too?
No. That probably too, but listen. Listen. I got my own transportation, bro. So you telling me to go pick you up a fucking cheesecake ain't bothering me.
Nigga, I'm talking about going to New York.
That nigga did want a nigga walk to go
California to New York.
Yeah, he made them niggas walk.
Nobody say, oh, you gotta do the same thing Diddy did.
Niggas say what they want to say. They ain't
First of all, you're not paying me 5 bands to go fly to New York.
And you ain't never gonna be a part of a sorority.
Not gonna hold it.
You gonna be the same nigga that never played sorority.
I guarantee you,
you ain't gonna do none of that. You can't follow the rules,
nigga. Trust me. Look,
hey, my nigga, y'all niggas need to come on out straight. Y'all know, hey, KK, let me know. Hold on. Let me say this, bro.
I ain't trying to choose 10 bands a week. Nigga, stop.
Hey,
Hey, listen here, my nigga.
Wow.
Listen here, nigga. Listen here, bro. Come out and tell me you trolling, so I can know you. Let me know, because I don't know. I don't know what niggas. Hold on. So I can know where to place you at. Because I don't know where to place you at right now. So this is how I'm going to place you. Let me know if you
Talk that talk. Wake it up.
Nigga getting money, man. Cause look, as soon as you get enough.
So you will tie niggas shoes on camera for money?
Can I finish saying what I'm saying? Look, as soon as you get that money, guess what? You open you up a business, right? Now you're getting your own increments. You did? You got to build something, bro. Don't nobody get nothing. Something for nothing, bro.
That's like telling the nigga.
Okay, so hold on, let me tell you this. Hold on, this big bad. Hold on, let's be very clear. I want to tell you straight up, because I'll talk about, I'll say this shit.
Somebody personal secretary.
Any nigga that tie niggas shoe for the money on camera is a lame to me, nigga.
You don't know what that man did for that man, nigga.
Look,
it ain't nothing that nigga can make me I can do for a man to let him tie my shoe.
You ain't got humility, my nigga. Baby, you need to get you some.
Hey, I'll die this nigga I am today and be proud of it, bro. I don't
understand. Guess what? You have enough money to start your own shit up. Guess what?
I got money now, nigga. What are you talking about, nigga?
Don't be upset at another man.
Don't be.
I got money right now, nigga. Stop talking to me about money, bro. Listen, nigga, blessed. I'm blessed. Nigga, I got crib, 2 whips, all that. Nigga, money in the bank. Stop talking to me about money, my nigga.
Don't bitches go strip, right? Do they feel embarrassed about no jewelry, nigga? 10 bands a day when they go. Come on now. You got to think about what your goal is.
Nah, I don't got to think
nigga.
You a nigga that will probably take some. You
your neck green, nigga.
Go on and say it, eh?
No, that is kind of saying.
It all fall in the same category.
No, I don't.
Nah, but
Hey, man, before I let a nigga make me look like a bitch for some money.
Nah, we all in,
bro. That's some God. I got to
bro. They got kids,
and
bro.
That's the reason why black people can't do business because
that's why I won't be doing
that. It's always me trying to make me like
your girl,
bro.
You tying.
Hey, give me your bitch so I can spit on that hoe, nigga. That's what we can do, because that's the type of nigga you is. Give me your bitch so we can train the bitch.
I don't know what you talking about over there. Look, now
if you would let a nigga talk, if you would tie niggas to
I don't give a fuck about what no nigga talking about. But what I'm saying is what you broke niggas do would definitely toss and shoot.
Hold on, nigga, what's broke to you, nigga?
Want to, right?
What's broke?
Niggas talk all that shit they want to on here, nigga.
No, listen, you not getting it, bro. What's broke
niggas
to you?
even making $700 a week, nigga.
Who you talking to, my nigga?
I'm talking about whoever talking to him, nigga.
That ain't shit.
Whoever feel embarrassed about it, nigga, that's who I'm talking to.
Hold on. Do you want to go for a count round right now, my nigga?
With business. I don't give a
700. What is $700 a week? I made that working at a job, bro.
That's
and guess what? That don't make nothing. That don't mean that nigga less than.
Okay, so if it don't refer to you, cuz. Niggas don't make that right now on a regular job,
run
bro.
that flex
Niggas don't even want to work, bro.
Who is niggas? We talking about us, nigga. You telling me I would take the money. I'm telling you I would never. You said, Big Ed, you would take that money. I'm telling you that would never happen.
That wasn't a money situation, though. That's what you feel in the real life.
You say that, look.
Some niggas ain't afraid to make their people look bigger, my nigga. Some people ain't afraid to play a part.
And look, the reason.
Boy, they going in right now.
When you
nigga,
see me
and I'm
shoot
following you on YouTube.
Mr.
You don't talk
Shoe
like a bitch, nigga.
when you get done tying around those shoes, my nigga out there in Atlanta, come holler at me.
Hey, nigga, I ain't never holler at shit. Fuck Texas, nigga.
Hey, after you done tying nigga shoes.
Hey, look. It's killing. Y'all niggas killing. This shit crazy.
But remember, nigga, you a blogger. Stay in your place, little
I'm a grown man, my nigga. I'm a grown man. Ain't no nigga
grown men
gonna
don't talk like bitches about other niggas all day. Nigga, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that, nigga.
This is your second time jumping out of bicycle, bro. And you do that shit with everybody.
No, nigga, you want to talk about it, let's talk about it. If you want to talk about it, let's talk about it. If you gonna run your mouth about another nigga like a bitch all day, don't talk about what another nigga do.
Chill, cuz. I'm chill, bro. We ain't doing all that.
Yo, straight, man. We all family, man. It's a conversation, man.
Nah, we not family. We good. We fucking with Rockstar. We fucking with the players and the niggas that don't tie shoes. But we good.
Yeah, y'all got it perfect.
If you a tie nigga shoes, you can't ride in big man car.
Nigga, ain't nobody want to ride no escort, blood. Knock it off.
You got his own vehicle, huh?
Nigga.
Got 2 whips, nigga.
Oh my God,
man! Hey man, shout out to y'all.
This nigga Bolo be going on mute.
We blessed, man. We blessed by the
God. I'm counting too much money, fucked up too much money. He let a nigga play with me like that, so I can't see that far, bro. I'm listening though. Y'all niggas keep cooking. I'm with you though, man.
We good. We moving on. Rockstar.
All right, look. Let's keep it rocking and rolling. Keep it rocking and rolling, man. ASAP Relly testifies against ASAP Rocky. Says Rocky allegedly put a gun to Relly's stomach and threatened to kill him. ASAP Rocky, former fellow mob member who claims Rocky shot him 2 years ago, testified Rocky also threatened to kill him before pulling the trigger. Relly claims harsh words were exchanged and Rocky put the gun to his stomach and allegedly saying, "I'll kill you right now." Relly testified Rocky didn't shoot right then and there, but claims the bullets started flying shortly thereafter as they separated. At that point, Relly says he felt his hand get hot and he knew he'd been hit, and alleges Rocky fired 4 times before taking off running and leaving him there on the street. Relly says he didn't go to the cops until 4 days later out of fear. What y'all think, man?
That shit sound like a Tubi movie.
That nigga's
I've been watching Detroit movies for years.
Tell that nigga get his get back on, bitch.
I think ASAP Rocky was probably in some leather shit.
That nigga really told us to get bro locked up, so when he
shoot that nigga leather, dude.
That's fucked up. He told us so like, hey nigga, that nigga wasn't even under threat. Like he walked away and then shot it.
First of all, that leather popping. Don't you ever talk about leather like that. I'm on some KC JoJo shit. Wait a minute. You talking about the tight? You talking about the tight shit, chaps? That's what you talking about.
You had the Tupac vest on, put the gun for the man head.
Who yeah?
Niggas been wearing leather for years.
Man, what did the Panthers did?
Y'all niggas crazy. Bad Baby shows off her OnlyFans earnings from 2021.
That's how the
bitch was getting doubt.
So I added it up. Was it about 35 million?
Altogether,
Yeah. Sheesh.
In my head. Let's show you how many creeps out here, man. Wait for the bitch to get older.
Hey, Rob.
That's
the
fact.
Hey, we know a good percentage of that came from DJ Academics too, though. They wake it up.
That Bad Baby shit?
Yeah.
Big ass shit, nigga.
Oh, you don't remember what he said?
Nah.
Boy, that nigga was
He
good
said
over
some
there.
shit like he couldn't wait for her to get 18 or some shit so he can, you know what I'm
Hey,
saying? Some crazy shit.
Niggas been saying that over here.
Yeah, he
I ain't been saying that.
been prepping her since I don't know what age.
Exactly.
When you was a meth baby, you was.
Shit.
15.
I'm good. I'll stay on that.
Can't wait
Hey.
for that Quinceañera.
Niggas have not been saying that for years.
Niggas be flying to other countries and shit with the age difference crazy.
So Crondo Rondo recently was his county, the county of his home place, his hometown was trying to ban him. That ban got rejected recently, and now Crondo Rondo reveals someone in his crew has been snitching. Paperwork opened my eyes. One of y'all in the circle been talking.
Niggas been telling for years. They see, I didn't even know he was still rapping. I thought he denounced
That's
his
crazy. I
rapping.
thought that nigga was tired of all that.
That nigga said he thought he denounced his rapping.
He denounced his cripping.
Yeah, on everything. I thought he did.
He denounced all that shit.
I thought he denounced his rapping.
Look, he was crying on the actual news. I seen him crying and breaking down like Michael Jackson.
He said,
Like
no.
piece of origami. I swear to God. I said, wait a minute.
in the mirror and shit.
Yeah, crazy. In other news, y'all remember the teacher that was fired for having an OnlyFans? She's on Plug Talk with Adam and Lena. Sat down with them.
She white, huh?
Nah, she about to drop a porno.
Yeah, they got it cracking.
About to drop a check.
She white?
Yeah, she white. She white. Square.
Nigga said, yeah.
I like my women like I like my milk.
She's square.
Oh, this thing go fool.
Oh, did y'all see that? 4 current and former Los Angeles Sheriff Department employees have died by suicide in the last 2 days. Yeah.
What?
Yes.
What?
This in LA. 4 current and former Los Angeles Sheriff Department employees have died by suicide last 2 days. 4 employees of the Los Angeles County Sheriff's have died in the last 48 hours. The Sheriff Department says 3 were active members of the agency and 1 was retired. Listen.
Let me find out TPD was telling on them.
Let me find out niggas was saying
like murdered or
find out niggas.
No, they said about suicide. So they must have killed themselves. They must have found out something. They must have been under investigation.
Find some internal investigation that was going on.
Cops been killing cops for years.
Let me find out they got something to do with Big.
This nigga crazy. This nigga crazy. What y'all think about this shorty brick baby stuff? You know what I'm saying? Shorty.
Don't think nothing about it.
Shorty was just on academics the other day. You know what I'm saying? He was feeling disrespected by Brick. But to me, it's like, you know, Shorty, he's an out of town fool. Like he's from DC, right? Baltimore.
He's from. You said DC?
Where you from? No. I'm talking about
DC.
No. I'm thinking of DMV.
Yeah, he's a part of the DMV.
Okay, yeah. That's one. So he's feeling offended or whatnot. Academics brings him up. He says like, look, dude dissing and doing all this to him and all that. I think he said it was a viral video of Shorty slapping the van, and I guess Brick disrespected the set during that video. But I mean, that's just how he talked from LA, of course. But I mean, what's y'all take on this shit, man? You think it's real? Like, you think Shorty should be really taking it offensive?
Mm-hmm. I mean, at the end of the day, bro, you from where you from, bro.
Yeah, no, he taking it offensive. He obviously must be tapped in. You know,
but I mean, it ain't no point of saying that nigga like y'all niggas gonna meet up and do something, nigga.
Yeah.
That's just interviews. That's what that is. That's just interviews and media throwing more gasoline on the fire of a nigga that got it.
But I'm saying on both parties, it's like, nigga, you know damn well, nigga, no party is that gangster where they gonna DM the nigga and say, hey, I'm gonna pull up right here, Dolo. You pull up here, Dolo. We could talk. If you want to squabble, we can squabble. Nigga ain't gonna do that, but so it ain't no point to be going back and forth saying, because like Shitty said, at the end of the day, where he from, he don't fuck with y'all. So if he was dissing, it's not no big deal, nigga. You in video breaking and rolling, nigga. Ain't nobody making no blog about that, nigga. Every video is Shorty, and I fuck with Shorty music, nigga. But every video Cuz got, nigga, he breaking and rolling in that shit. Ain't nobody blogging about that.
For those who don't know, that's a diss, Brady.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is. I ain't gonna lie to.
Yeah.
That nigga do that.
Yeah, if you know, you know. All right, let's get into this. Ohio becomes the latest state to legalize recreational cannabis. You know what I'm saying? So Ohio joins the 23 states that have legalized cannabis for adults. Ohio voters also approved a proposed constitutional amendment to protect abortion and other reproductive rights, an issue that set the stage for strong voter turnout. The state early voting on both measures began October 11th and ended last week on November 5th. So shout out to everybody in Ohio that can smoke weed now legally. You know what I'm saying? Ohio, adults 21 and older who are permitted to possess up to 2.5 ounces of marijuana and up to 15 grams of cannabis concentrates. The proposal also legalized marijuana cultivation for personal use, with adults allowed to grow up to 6 cannabis plants at home. Households with more than one adult are permitted to grow a total of 12 plants. That's crazy. That's how they did it out here. And that's cool. That's 23 states. How many states to go? Who got like what? It's 50 states, 24, 25, 26?
Is it 50 or 52?
52.
You think if all states
I'll be
approve it,
forgetting about the
it'll
two,
go
man.
federal?
You said I don't, and that's crazy. How are they legalizing? Is that the goal? I think is to legalize in every state, then go federal because they're gonna have no choice but to turn it federal in all the states. Because I'm not understanding that. If it's still not federally legal, like they can still, switch this shit up on niggas any day and come get niggas.
That's if you're doing big things. If you're doing little things, it'll be straight.
Yeah. Oh God!
Crack about 6 months, switch it up.
Oh God!
The nigga Kevin Durant said, "I'm high right now."
Yeah, they loving that shit. Now that nigga can smoke weed in the NBA, boy, they loving that shit probably.
Yeah, so
they get tested too?
Like that.
too. I think I saw them niggas celebrating already. We celebrating that they win.
Yeah,
I mean they can drink, but shit.
No, niggas can smoke now. They ain't. I don't think they testing no more.
They can smoke marijuana.
No,
NFL and NBA.
Yeah.
They smoke weed.
Man.
No, they can't. What's up, buddy?
No, they can't smoke weed.
No, they can't smoke weed, bro. It's still the lead bandit. It's still a drug legal.
Yeah. They can smoke on the off season.
You can't do it for in the league. So,
hey, y'all see that? Y'all see that lawyer put out saying that they could see your vanished messages and shit?
Shit, I don't put no messages like that, man.
Niggas stupid. Hey, mute up, whoever that is. Mute up. What else we got? Georgia man accused of possessing enough fentanyl to kill more than 140,000 people. First responders were dispatched to the residence for a medical emergency and found 2 individuals in the home who appeared to have overdosed.
Yeah, they've been overdosing for years.
Nigga said had 290 grams of fentanyl, approximately 117 grams of methamphetamine, and a 6 Sawyer 9mm handgun was seized. 65-year-old James Hall was arrested after receiving treatment.
He was in 60s getting money. Oh, God damn it. I bet he was throwing a cut on the cut, the 1 or the 2 and making it. Oh, God. 60? Stop it. He was getting it. Somebody sniffed him.
Cut on the cut is great.
Somebody else you got to turn themselves in too, right?
What you say?
I think somebody got to turn themselves in with dealing with that man with that fentanyl.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that shit is crazy.
There's so much shit going on. But I know he a white old man.
He is.
Man, he ain't get no time. He go down, he ain't get no time. Watch. They gonna give him probation, he gonna be out on the street.
Hey,
be a nigga, he gonna get 100 years.
Hey, check this out. This is gonna be funny for y'all niggas that know me. Doritos has released the crunch cancellation software to reduce smacking sounds while you're on the mic eating Doritos while playing video games.
Nigga, they did that shit because of you, nigga. I called it.
It's smacking for years.
Yeah, they call it crunch cancellation. That is funny.
Crunch cancellation is great.
Niggas need to get rid of niggas like you, cuz.
They got the soft shell Doritos and some shit.
What
the fuck?
Hey, niggas know when cuz he be cooking hibachi all type of shit.
Yeah,
That's why cuz got to start
get
stepping
to it, right?
hood.
So, hold on, I need some good ass grape right now. So you were saying,
fucking big.
like, how did you get it? Like, how did you get involved with? What made you want to like? Hold on, these motherfuckers sweet.
That nigga, hold on, don't let me burn my food. I actually my gun.
Yeah, niggas. Okay, so the actor strike has ended with a 3-year deal. On Wednesday, they reached a 3-year deal with film studios. The agreement arrives after 118 days of the actors being on strike. Actors of all walks have been at the picket lines demanding checklists of changes, one which being royalty payments. As the war moves further into streaming era, many actors have not been compensated appropriately for their work. While the specifics of the deal have not been yet made public, it has been confirmed that it will reopen Hollywood and its productions, which have halted due to the strikes. It is being speculated by several outlets that many of the actors' demands were met, including base pay increases, better health insurance regulations for AI, and much more. In addition to the actors, the Writers Guild was on strike over matters such as AI concerns and compensation as well. Their walkout ended in September with a separate deal of their own. Shows such as Euphoria and P-Valley were pushed back as the writers struggled to make a deal.
Well, so the writers is done and the actors is over.
So I didn't know the actors was on strike. I thought just the writers. God
I thought
damn.
just the writers. I didn't know the actors were on strike.
The actors went afterward for the AI shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they ain't playing about that shit. They say, look, y'all gotta change this shit up, nigga, or weird shit. Leave about this motherfucker. They didn't give a fuck. 118 days? God damn.
Damn, that AI shit real, huh? I thought it was fake.
That shit taking over.
Boy, I knew Birdman wasn't up in here.
Okay, Stephen A. Smith believes Michigan should receive ban from college football playoffs and admin stealing investigation. The University of Michigan is currently under investigation by the NCAA with allegations of sign stealing. The Wolverines are ranked in the top 4 of college football playoff rankings. Initial reports suggested that the NCAA was prepared to suspend head coach for a stretch of games starting in November. Nevertheless, it has been revealed that there is insufficient evidence to proceed with this action, and the NCAA will maintain an ongoing investigation. Pat, how you say his name? Pat McAfee joined First Take Tuesday. McAfee joined First Take Tuesday, where he spoke with Stephen A. Smith and Shannon Sharp about the recent news, whether the Wolverines should be eligible for playoffs. Stephen A. Smith is pretty adamant in his stance. The fact that the investigation is still open, to me, it makes no sense. Expedite the process, reach a conclusion, tell me they didn't do it, I'm fine with it. Tell me there's not enough evidence to validate they did it, I'm fine. But as long as the investigation is open, there's no way on earth that you can have the Michigan Wolverines going to the college football playoffs when it is possible that they may have had somebody working for them, traveling around to other schools, stealing signs, giving them an unfair advantage. So what do they mean by stealing signs?
And getting their play calls. So they got a nigga going around to the game,
signals,
getting all their signals, and basically you getting the advantage because you in their playbook. You know you already be prepped for it, so you get the design. Okay, they calling that. This is what we gonna run, and you hit from your team. Like, okay, this is what you call it. Pretty much, they did, but it's a big thing. Did, huh? Traveling, if they traveling with the team, like traveling, they got real niggas like y'all go out there and get everything y'all can on them niggas because the Patriots, Bill Belichick, they got fucked off through the Spygate shit.
They did.
Yeah, but the thing is, the nigga from Michigan, bro, Bro, his disguise was bullshit.
Oh, no shit.
What he had a mustache with a big nose?
Man, bro, they got the nigga in the stands looking like a straight fucking goof. Like, bro, who is this? Wait, man, you got it, man. Why are you looking like that? Oh, just go look at the photos, cuz the nigga in the stands.
Gotta look this shit up.
Hey, but if he don't work for him, boy, that's gonna be a fat ass loss.
A lot of niggas do trick shit in the game, but you ain't doing it until you get caught. That just is what it is. It's once you get caught, that means you did it, nigga. You can't.
But they gotta prove it though, also, right?
Well, shit, it looked like if they got the nigga at the stands, it's been proven.
How can they prove
that
he is related to their program or anything like that?
Bro, either way it go, fool. If them niggas was to win it all, they not gonna give them niggas that shit, bro. They gotta give it to the other team.
Yeah,
so
just
no
why
point for them niggas to even be playing right now because they not gonna give y'all nothing.
Well, that'd be a fat ass loss.
Fuck that, I'm still playing though. I'm still playing, nigga. We gotta, nigga. This our shine. This our time for our future. We gotta get out here and show out.
They took Reggie Bush Heisman. He didn't give a fuck. He was in the NFL.
They ain't take nothing, nigga. Reggie Bush getting his shit back.
Oh yeah, he getting it back, or he already got it back.
They been reinstated his shit back, bro.
Oh yeah, so but you remember when it, you know what I mean? Remember
he got it too.
Now that's a lawsuit.
But he for sure waiting on them to send that shit to him. He got a whole interview talking about that shit.
That's supposed to be giving us letting some of the baseball players get their shit back too, right? For the steroid shit.
You got caught doing steroids, you fucked.
No, like they let some of them in the Hall of Fame, I think.
Now they just don't ain't put certain niggas in the Hall of Fame because of this shit. They just held it against them.
Right.
Like they never put Barry Bonds in the Hall of Fame because of the allegations. They never had real, you know what I'm saying? It was just like everybody seen them and looked at him and like, oh, that nigga on roids, and he had to go through all that shit. But they never proved on paper that he was on them hoes. But they held that shit against them with the Hall of Fame shit.
What I'm saying is I read something that seemed like they gave somebody, like they put somebody in there and took it off on one of the players.
I don't know.
Don't quote me on that, but that's what I read.
I don't think they ever did that shit. I think the only nigga they had that they was going through that with was the nigga like Barry Bonds. That was the biggest like name of niggas that they wasn't.
No, but Mark McGuire, they went through Pete Rose, they went through.
No, but they did that. No, I'm talking about niggas coming up for their Hall of Fame shit and the steroid shit.
Yeah, but no, I'm saying everybody I'm naming, like Mark McGuire, he was before Barry Bonds. Remember he won it and he was on roids and they tried to take his shit away.
No. I'm talking about Hall of Fame.
That was the Hall of Fame.
The home run.
Oh yeah,
like,
okay, yeah, that's the home. Yeah.
Okay. I'm talking about the Hall. Like Barry Bonds shit is big because he's supposed to be inducted into the Hall of Fame. And they don't never select him
because he's black. You feel me? But they did select. Look, Mark McGuire's in the Hall of Fame. Like you feel me? They didn't even want to select Sammy Sosa. Like
that's what I was saying.
You know? Yeah,
that's what I was saying. Mark McGuire in there. That's what I was pointing out. And he did use the steroid thing.
Hey, Bolo.
What up, Kay?
Where your gun at?
Say what?
Where your gun at?
Oh, what type of party y'all having?
What the fuck you talking about? Who this is, Fat Prophet?
He's saying
somebody sleep.
He's saying use your gun, nigga. Oh.
Man, I'm doing some more shit. What happened?
I don't know what you're talking about. You gotta text me, Prophet.
Somebody bust their gun.
But y'all don't know nothing about no weapon.
That's a good topic. FYBJ Main said in Chicago, you gotta beat your bitch or they don't think you love them. What y'all think about that?
I believe
that nigga get paid enough to like sit on camera.
I dated a girl
that wants a pass.
She was all about violence, my nigga. That she didn't feel like she was even validated unless she was spitting at her, talking shit, all that weird shit.
Hey, what you say, Unique? I couldn't even hear what she said.
No, I said I think he sounds like an abuser that wants a pass.
Even if say what he got to say to get booked for the interviews, man. That's just how that nigga is.
Yeah, that's what you right.
That's how the niggas keep their name.
Because guess what? In California, you yell at your bitch. That's domestic violence. What is it? That hold more than a petty theft.
We ain't even grabbing a bitch wrong, nigga.
Yeah, don't even sneeze a bitch away because you're going to jail.
Exactly. Man, I'm in Texas. You getting deep fried.
You get deep fried.
Deep fried by the bitch out here, nigga. Never. I will not be the nigga that go out like that.
And you don't even got to do nothing. Look, out here, did you know yelling, like having an argument with your girl, she could be like, yeah, we was just having a domestic dispute.
Oh yeah, they take somebody to jail. That's what they
definitely once they get caught, somebody got to go. Or
they do that shit out here too.
Hey, real talk. Hey, just a little something I bet you no one knows. Your renter's insurance cover that. Your renter's insurance cover if you get sued for yelling at a nigga. $5K.
Yeah, you for sure.
For sure.
So
I ain't even trying to
domestic dispute in California and in Los Angeles. You can get paid off renter's insurance. You go to jail.
No, like if you have any losses from it, like so, say for instance, you yelled at me in the street and I sued you. They cover up to $5K. If something happened from that, they cover up to $5K. Your renter's insurance.
Oh, they gotta sue you. All right, yeah. Your bitch ain't
who the fuck is staying around for police though?
Yeah, if they sue you for yelling at them in the middle of the street or wherever you yelled at them at, they cover up to $5K because you could get sued for yelling at a nigga in the street.
You can't sue for anything.
I ain't doing no yelling. I ain't doing no arguing with niggas in the streets, and I ain't doing no domestic violence.
But who the hell is waiting around for police? Hold up, let me wait. Let me fill out this police report.
Wait a minute.
We're setting there, waiting for the news.
You know what I'm saying?
He brought the news.
No. Let me show you.
He pulled up with that nigga.
Your renter's insurance also won't cover you if you have a pet, and it also covers stuff stolen out of your car.
Yeah, so your car is an extension of your home. Y'all should get real familiar with your renter insurance policy in case you start.
Oh, but it got to be on your property, right?
Man, let's get
When I tell the story, that's where it's gonna be.
let's keep it rolling. Real quick. Let's keep it rolling. 5 black women filed federal lawsuit accusing Kansas City police of rape and intimidation.
It's terrible.
A group of women have filed federal lawsuit against Kansas City, Kansas, that alleges that they were raped and humiliated by police officers, including a retired detective. The 5 women claim former detective and other dirty cops used the power of their badges to exploit black women. They say the unified government of the county, whatever, one county, Kansas City enabled its officers to engage in a exploitative behavior such as stalking, assaulting, raping Kansas City residents. The lawsuit also alleges that many of the attacks happened while the officers were wearing their badges and in possession of their guns. The lawsuit claims that the 5 women were intimidated by the officers and could not report the crimes. According to Law and Crime, when one woman threatened to file a complaint, the officer reported me to who? The police. I am the police. The lawsuit described it as a government-sanctioned protection racket.
That shit sounds crazy.
I bet they was dope heads, but look, you know, a few officers been caught like that, bro. Like, so that's what go through probably. You know, a little pervert officer late night, 2 in the morning, one of them there to give them a little of that topper.
They be cops fucking all the strippers in the city.
Stripper, I'm talking about the sleepwalkers.
They the same thing out here.
They for sure be certain places taking them women through the ringer on some real crazy shit, bro.
Bareback.
They don't be speaking out, you know. So when they get damaged, they be hurt, so they don't know how to handle it. And a lot of time the evidence get lost. You know what I'm saying? That's how niggas be walking because the women going through it mentally.
Yeah. But not a body cam or a car cam like he did. Like that's how those other officers got caught, you know? And then
them niggas be cutting their cams off sometimes.
Yeah, but one of the women's recorded, like I don't know if it's recording or something, but they gonna get paid for that shit, whether it's a dope head or not, especially out here.
But when they cut them out, so if they cut them out, don't they supposed to be in trouble and shit?
They be, bro, it's a lot of shit that people do at jobs though, G. Like they be doing things at jobs that they wiggle around, bro. Like
Yeah, you know, I know that,
the
but
rap and shit, yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's always, no matter where you work at, no matter what job you have, nigga, they be going under the radar with shit. Just like prison guards and COs, it's shit that they supposed to be not doing, and they know how to wiggle by it, cut it off. Then they know, like, okay, well, they ain't gonna search the cam today, and we don't even know how often they routine check up them cameras. You know what I'm saying?
Bitches been wiggling for years.
Right, just like you saying that part, pause, whatever. That's what, like, the prisons, and we call it wide open. And whenever the prison guard get through it, we call it. I said pause. We call it wide open. The prisons like that. I did say pause though. I see you, Bolo. I said.
Shit, prison guard ain't nothing but regular people on the streets trying to make a dollar like everybody else. They ain't police officers.
Two of them just got killed out here though. That's crazy.
And I seen 6, 7 of them have a baby by one nigga. So,
hey, Rock, y'all touched on the today, the court date for Thug and them today.
It's the 27th. I think we've been talking about that.
They pulled up the date for the lyrics. They doing a motion for the lyrics to be used or not used on the trial. That's what they went in. They went at it for like 6-7 hours today. They ain't even get out of court till about damn near 8:30.
Yeah, I seen something like
they was reading all the Thug lyrics. Really read his, Gotti's, other niggas. They was just reading all them niggas lyrics to the judge and shit.
Yeah, be proving mindset. You know, that they could prove the mindset is that, then you know.
And Thug lawyer trying to refute.
That's what the attorney was talking about earlier. Like, you know, it depends. It's tricky, you know, because we got a freedom of speech, bro. Like in our amendment, like freedom of press, freedom of speech. You dig? So,
well, the prosecutors, the prosecutor is arguing on his side that, well, these things that they're rapping about, we got the exact like time frames, we got what they saying, and it's going directly with the incident that we're charging them with. And we got the proof that this is what they living on, this is what they standing on. That's what they claiming from the prosecutor standpoint. Thug lawyers still, and the other dude's lawyers is like, nah, that's not the case. This is just rap.
They rapping somebody else's life, basically.
That nigga Thug lawyer said today.
Well, the thing about it, rap lyrics are considered what's called fruits of a poisonous tree. You know what I'm saying? Because of the violent nature. It's like, you know what I mean? It's no way a rapper can ever get a fair trial in front of a jury with explicit lyrics, regardless if they're rapping about the crimes they're in front of them or not. It's called fruits of a poisonous tree. The lawyer probably cited a case called One Song versus United States. That's the controlling case on that, because that shit happened in my case. But it's a law that passed that it's illegal for them to use your rap lyrics against you in a criminal proceeding. In California, you know what I'm saying? But that's about to be standing throughout all the states. I don't know if they got to it in Georgia yet, but in any event, it's called precedent. If it becomes a precedent in California, especially this is a Fed case, if that's a Fed case that's standing in California, that's precedent for Georgia. Georgia has to follow it anyway. All 50 states have to follow precedent. So I mean, it don't matter what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Well, this right here is state RICO. This ain't a Fed case. Like,
but the state case is bounded. The state case is bounded by federal law. You know what I'm saying? The federal law takes precedent over state law.
Yeah, but it's not a federal case. It's a state case, like you were saying.
Okay, I'm saying even if it's a state case, I guarantee you in that motion that lawyers is citing federal cases as precedent for the judge to go on, because federal cases hold more weight than state case citation, bro. You talking to a nigga that litigated in court.
But listen, bro. Listen, the judge told him today, if this ain't connected to this on the state level, then he was like, there's no point in doing. Like, he listened to all of the da-da-da versus this, the da-da-da versus that. I felt, bro, he was really trying to make his case. But the judge is like, well, they have an exact incident
where they described exactly what happened, the time frame, the cause, who got shot at. So they basing it off of this. We got this is what they claim, allegedly. They have the evidence allegedly, and then they have you rapping about it allegedly. So
well, so what's going? This was going to happen, or probably has already, or the judge is going to order an evidentiary hearing to be had on that to actually see if the DA can make a connection between the lyrics and things that actually happened in that case. So in this evidentiary hearing, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be outside of the jury. It's going to be outside of everybody but except the Thug, his attorneys, and the district attorney and the judge. And after that, the judge is gonna make a decision on that. But unless they can do that, you know what I'm saying, the judges want to have to rule that it's fruits of a poisonous tree. Otherwise, if Thug get convicted of that, he gonna prevail on appeal. I'm telling you, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's controlling case law on that.
Well, I'm just telling you what the judge said today. He said, as of right, he hasn't made his decision yet. But when the time comes, he said that he listening to everything the lawyer is telling him. But he like, well, if we get to this time in court, if there's anything you want to object, you're gonna be allowed to object any evidence or any time they raise up lyrics. And the lawyer, of course, is saying, well, nah, that's gonna look away to the jury when they use this. So he hasn't made the decision yet. So we just don't know. But the lyrics are not ruled out yet. 100%.
They're not.
So we just gotta wait and see how they play it. They make the motherfucking rules. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna keep it rocking and rolling. Blueface's mother claims she will pursue legal action if she can't be in her grandchildren's life. Blueface's mother came out, intends to sue her son if he doesn't let her see her grandchildren. Earlier this week, the rapper's mom took to Instagram, making it clear that she will be involved in her grandchildren's life no matter what. Blueface's mother threatened legal action if denied access to her grandchildren. If they deny me, then we'll take it to the next step, she said. Whoever needs to see what this process is like, you will be able to figure out how to do it yourself, because I'm going to share all the process and the paperwork. I didn't bend over backwards and raise my motherfucking kids to be denied my bloodline. You go tell the motherfuckers that mama coming, she added. Over the past few months, Blueface and his mother had a publicly rocky relationship that continues to unfold. As you know, she said she has never been afraid of court controversy or headlines. Recently, she revealed that she wanted her son to have a child with Houston Hardy, Megan Thee Stallion, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. What y'all think about that, man? Is she right pursuing if she doesn't have access to a grandchild? I mean, what is this?
I don't think you got nothing to do.
It's messy as hell. Is she messy?
I don't think it got nothing to do with that. I think she's trying to see him.
I think she see the son. No, I don't think she see the son Rock's son.
I
don't think she see none of them right now.
Well, no, let me say this. I know she just looking for attention. So all this shit that she does, she knows it's gonna get reposted on the blog. She know they watching it. She know they gonna share it. She addicted to the little status and fame she got. Simple and plain. Like how you think you gonna build how you gonna build a relationship with your son and his newborn, and you online telling the world I'm gonna take him to court and da da da. Right. If you moving correctly, you know I'm gonna move this in private. What she wants is to make the blogs. She want to be on Shade Room. She want to be on the other blogs that repost all this shit all day.
I wouldn't even want my grandchild around a grandmother like that.
Shit, I wouldn't blame you. I didn't want to say that, but she's on Instagram mooning. She's on Instagram mooning. Like you think that's grandmother quality, like mooning the world for social media and shit?
And doing so much, like that's like out of grandmother's league. Like even if it was my mom, it wouldn't matter if it was my child's father's mom or my mom. It's just a disgrace at this point. Like she clout chasing, like you said, big, definitely. I just feel it's real messy. Like her as a grown woman, as a grandma, like she out of control.
She want to be the baby mama. That's the problem.
No. But she's a young grandmother.
Yeah, she want to be the
It don't matter, bro.
It's different from our grandmothers
What
that
is
we grew up
young?
with. She's a young grandmother. 35, 38, 40.
She's not no 35.
what she look at.
It don't matter
she's
what age
35,
she
but I'm
is,
saying
like,
what
she has
age
no
don't even matter, bro.
It doesn't even matter what age she is. She has no decorum about herself as a parent, A, or B, let alone a grandparent. Like, she's messy as hell. Like, if I saw my mom on the internet like that,
getting beat
doing
up,
that, I wouldn't be free, please.
The day my tea lady take a picture in the camera moaning is the day we got a problem.
Oh,
like,
wait a minute. Moaning.
She took a picture, she pulled her, she had her pants down in the bathroom and took a picture.
Oh, that's cold. Okay.
So when I asked
out of control.
That's clout chasing.
The shit is pathetic.
Yeah, nah, she just be clout chasing. All she want to do is go viral. That's it.
Pathetic.
And
that's the problem in the world.
Too.
And that's the problem.
I'm sick of it, bro. I'm sick of it. What's the Instagram?
You're still smacking. Hey, what's her number?
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got nothing for her.
There you go.
I'm 1,000% correct, bro. Like I hate dumb-minded motherfucking people, bro. That shit a turn off, like for females to me. Yeah. You a female that's a grandma.
She probably had kids at a young age, and you know she feel
Man,
like
I'm not cutting that
life.
woman no
You know, when they
excuse.
get older, they want to now live their party years out or live through their kids.
Hey, man, ain't no excuses for that shit. You coming to the internet, putting us in your business, and you want the real answers, we gonna give them to you. You looking like a damn clown. Your son is the motherfucking breadwinner in the stall over there. You ain't supposed to be working against him. You want the grandkid, but you're calling your son's wife a worker,
a bitch and shit like that. Yeah,
like that don't make no sense. That's stupid. Oh, he get married to help. He married the worker. Yeah, she do
it with the Mexican little broad too, or just the other one?
Nah, she was dissing the Mexican one. She was like, she a cleaner. Yeah, she gonna do chores and clean up and shut up. She gonna cook and clean and shut her mouth. She the help. My son marrying the helper, he marrying the worker.
And they was all working at his fish pot. That's what's crazy.
And it's like, what the fuck is that? Like, that is stupid. But that's it.
All right, we done. All right, get on this. Rick Ross claimed Def Jam is damn near out of business. In a new interview with Rolling Stone to promote his Meek Mill upcoming joint album, Rose was asked whether he would get involved in the new Def Jam Fight for NY game if one were ever to materialize. He said, I might have to do it, but Def Jam is damn near out of business, so it has to be Maybach Music. Ross equipped that was a cool ass game though. Rick Ross' last release on Def Jam was 2015's Black Market, after which he took his talents to Epic Records under the L.A. Reid regime. But following the release of 2021's Richer Than I Ever Been, Rose fulfilled his contract with Epic and decided to become a free agent. Rose and Meek dropped their new album, Too Good to Be True, November 10th. What you think about that, man? Ross stunning now. He's saying Def Jam ain't got no money. They out of business. Come on, man.
Ross always say
but
shit.
No, he might be right though, because Jeezy just left Def Jam too after all these years.
Def Jam ain't got no artists. They just a shell now.
Yeah. Remember Snoop was they had Snoop over there for a minute. Snoop said he got Benny Butcher signed over there.
Yeah. I think he did. Yep, he just signed over there, if I ain't mistaken.
Yeah, man. That's
Ross gonna always say some headline type shit, even if it's false or true or real. He gonna go overboard with it. Like, he gonna say some wild shit. I ain't saying the Def Jam ain't financially in a good spot. I don't know, because really, to me, all of them up under the top three. So shit, Universal, fucking Sony, or Warner.
No, I'm being real. Atlantic and Epic been killing it though for the last. For real. Atlantic and Epic.
They all Universal though. They all Universal.
I'm saying, like, they all up under Universal. It's either Universal, Sony, or Warner. That's
and then the craziest part is all the executives, they play musical chairs, so you can't run from them. Like, it's the same motherfuckers running the labels. Like when Sycamore leaves the Epic, he'll go to the next label, to Universal.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed that.
Shit,
yeah, so you can't get around it.
If you get promoted,
even when they left the even when they left the majors and started going to distributors, it's the same niggas that was at the labels. Your Mike Karens, your Scooter Brons, and all them other niggas, bro. It's the same niggas. The Mike Kaisers,
Julius, they move around.
That's all they do, and they find new ways to invent. They be having like 30 artists who they got the rights to their music and get a percentage and shit, and they'll sell them 30 artists to this person and all this other shit.
Them, bro. It's one big money laundering situation. That's why you can't fuck over nobody in the industry and think that you're gonna be able to still go. That's why a lot of these artists that disappear, even though they might have been popping, but they was bad business. They might have charged too much. Look at the Jazzy Face, overcharging the labels for beats when he had the sauce. But the minute that your sauce die down, they'll get rid of you. They'll stop doing business with you and all that. You just be a washed up rapper, and you niggas be like, "Damn, bro, you was just popping. Why you can't help us out?" Because they fucked their bridge off.
And that label shit so risky now. How all that shit work now that the nigga just know all the ins and outs of that shit, like how the shit work for seasons and how when they sign a new artist, this artist might have to wait 7-8 months before he get put out, but then by the time his turn comes.
But look, this is what I'm talking about. Hold on. This is what I'm talking about. During that time you wait, it's your job to build whatever you gotta build around it. Bro. Around that. Nah. Not all the time. Not all the time, my nigga. Not all the time. You could build up momentum enough to where they will listen. Hold on, listen. But you could build up that momentum enough to where they will expedite that process. Is what I'm saying. You have to, bro. You got to put in some type of work, bro. It's not just going to be laid out for you, bro. Like straight up.
You always got to put in
work. So if a nigga not putting no work, making no noise, okay, so you gonna wait that 7, 13 months, 12 months, whatever. But if you making noise, trust me, that shit gonna speed up. They gonna figure out a way to put your ass out.
It's the whole thing too, though, Rock. You gotta understand the position some of these niggas be in. And you know what I'm saying? Every man, you gotta fight whatever you sign up for. Some of these niggas are signed to the label, they get their little advance, right? Niggas then handed over all their YouTube passwords.
Mm-hmm.
So guess what? All that paper that they get if they drop a video is going to the label. So you just investing in money at times, and then nigga, you like, hold on, I really don't got no say so over this. I ain't seeing my account. Look how big NBA Youngboy was and said he never got paid from YouTube. This nigga had billions of views, never got a YouTube check 6 years in the game. But that's how they gonna do niggas. God bless PNB Rock Soul. He said the same shit, man. We said right when I got signed, them niggas asked for my YouTube password. I gave it to them. I ain't see my YouTube shit until I got off the label. So it be different. It be what you saying is 1,000% though, Rockstar. But a lot of them niggas, like homie said, they hands do be a little tied because a nigga be like, man, wait, we ain't gonna push that shit. You do gotta try to get out here and network and make it seem like you active, but sometimes, nigga, you will try to drop a single, nigga, they might yank that hoe down depending on who you up under. But you gotta have them terms negotiated, and you do need you a hands-on team. A lot of niggas, they sign without a team, and they depend on the label. Well, now your deal is gonna be a 360. If you got your own manager, your own publicist, you got your own assistant, you got your own little inner workings of 3 or 4 people that you got working with you, then you ain't got to go sign everything over to them. You can have your people that's, okay, they booking the shows, they this, they that, they this, they that. You know what I'm saying? Because some of them niggas, they not getting show money. And when they ain't getting show money, nigga, it's like, damn, if you ain't hot enough to get booked for no shows, where your bread gonna come from? Because they taking that streaming shit.
Yup.
Yeah.
But
they tie you up, bro. They tie you up and put you in debt, and you've never paid the debt back, and it's a scam, my nigga. That's the part that really hurts your feelings when you learn the game. You realize, nigga, it's a scam. They job is to get you just like a credit card. They don't want you to really pay your shit back. They want you to go further and further in the hole so they own everything, and then they fuck the books up to a point to where you can't really. You don't know what you owe, what you don't owe. You automatic once you sign, you in the whole 200. And you don't even know where that 200 went.
$200 go fast as an artist. Nigga, they charging you $10,000 in studio, nigga, in 2 months. You know what I'm saying?
Months,
You think,
nigga, to 2 weeks.
it depending on where you go.
Right,
be,
but
you know,
if you paying them $1,200-$1,300 blocks, you might could go, if you smart, you go work a deal out with the studio ahead of time before you even go with the label, because the label just want to cut a blank check. They gonna cut that PO check, and that purchase order gonna cover everything we put on that list. I don't give a fuck what it is, nigga. A pencil, $12. A CD to put your to put the copy of the shit you did that night, $30. A notepad, $14. A cup of water, nigga, $13.
See, I see that, and then after different levels of like artists that sign, where they got certain artists that be signed that I didn't pulled up on and shit for like an interview. One of the A&Rs or some shit might hit me, and it's an artist that nobody knows, but they got a record deal with like Interscope or some shit. They pulling up to like the most hoodest, smallest studio that probably costs $50 an hour to record. And they gonna be in there for a few hours, might drop 2 songs. You know what I'm saying? So it's those, and then you got the ones when the nigga hot, he really that nigga, or they really believe in him. They gonna have him in the best shit where he paying $200 a fucking hour for that house. So he really get bust. But then it's the other artists who with Empire, who I done been around, they just got their own studio equipment recording themselves. That's the best way to go. Like, learn that shit yourself, or find you an engineer that's gonna record with you on the move. When you traveling, doing your shows, then you pulling your bag out.
But you know, that shit be costing an arm and a leg too, because you take an engineer on with you. Just think about it. Like, Jeezy was known for that shit. Gucci too. They grabbed their engineer. Sean Payne. I use Sean for an example. Sean was Gucci engineer. And nigga, you dealing with niggas, so they really gonna pay you when they feel like paying you. They not paying on time. And if you don't do your booking through the studio to go out on the road with somebody, you a dummy. Even though we might take 15% to loan you out, but we gonna collect the money the legit way. But if you try to go out on your own and you go with one of these artists somewhere, nigga, you gonna get paid when they decide to pay you, nigga. And then you gonna be living like that. They keep you on a spoon type situation to where it's just a bad life, bro. I wouldn't advise that shit for nobody.
Well, I just say this too though. I'm saying even for the artist term, some of them niggas right now, like a lot of the artists that be with Empire that's really on that rap shit, I done seen one do it before, where like that nigga go city to city doing the shows. He got everything in his suitcase. And they land in certain cities, they can call up on an engineer, a mobile engineer, if they don't know how to do it on their own. Some of them niggas, they got the homie that know how to push the button. Like
they usually keep somebody that know how to track. They don't have a mixing engineer, but they'll have that tracking engineer. One of the little homies able to just make sure they not clipping and recording me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, then they'll just send it out to get mixed if they gonna keep that song. But it's so much shit that go with that shit, bro, that they be going on behind the scenes that they don't want that to be public information now, bro. And they fucked up. The labels is all fucked up right now because they can't control the music industry like they used to, bro. They still got control over it, and they will always have control over the mainstream, but they can't grab and hold the attention like they used to. Like back in the day, they could control the attention. Now with so many fucking rappers, they can't put the attention on nobody no more and keep it there. You gonna have a 2-week span of a nigga who drop a new project. So if I drop a project Friday, within the next week, niggas ain't too much talking about it no more. It just is what it is now. Niggas ride to new shit for 2-3 days, but it's still getting documented of what it's doing numbers wise. So back in the day when you bought a CD, after a nigga bought the CD, it was a win. Who cared after that? But now it's like you got to keep this shit going. You got to keep these streams going. Niggas got to keep or you got to keep getting talked about, or you not hot no more. Back then, out of sight, out of mind was still a good thing. But now it's like, shit, nigga, if you out of sight, out of mind, that's only gonna work for a select few artists.
Yeah. Hey, let's keep it rocking though. Man. Remy Ma, easy to block captain, few romance rumors at Eagles game. They were seen together at the Eagles game yesterday. And a lot of people saying Remy and Easy really just be out here on their couple shit. The world needs an explanation. Remy Papoose really out of the picture. What's going on, man? Maybe it's really a rap.
Look away.
The time you let another rapper hit your pussy, that nigga Papoose will never be able to be with her again. Like, that shit is over with, man. That's a hurt to the ego. That shit is dead.
That's
Let's
crazy.
ask the ladies. They no, Elena, what's up?
I know this.
We don't know. We don't really know what's going. It's like it's one of them things. Like I do believe in ignoring the media shit if you already established and
Yeah.
But at the same time, this shit done got too big to just not just announce the shit. Like,
Did you hear the Jeezy song? I told you to go listen to the Jeezy song.
yeah, I think Jeezy just went for the bar. It didn't need to be said from his standpoint.
But no,
Like,
I mean,
it made
but the
sense.
song was just the concept in general.
Yeah, nah, for
know,
sure.
I think, that's why he had to throw that in there.
But it's one of them things where like niggas that I just feel like, yeah, look away, but it ain't get confirmed enough for a nigga of his level to really throw the shit out there like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how like
Speaking of Jeezy, y'all see that Nia Long shit?
That shit was like cringy,
Man,
bro.
this nigga say he was molested as a child. He coming out saying Jeezy need an Oscar after this.
That shit cringy as fuck. That's him trying to cross over.
He's growing as a person.
Ah, here you go. All right.
And that shit was cringy, bro. You can grow and not be cringy, dog.
And then Nia Long opens up about her split from the Boston Celtics head coach that got fired.
You think she ate that up, Rockstar? Did you see some of that shit? I seen.
Yeah, I was gonna play a little bit right quick.
Yeah, I'm mute up. Hold on.
See if y'all can hear it. Tell me if y'all can hear it. Let's see. I gotta do something different. Hold on. Yeah.
Public breakup recently. It was a wake-up call for me in the sense of like, okay, you're going to do this on your own and you're going to be fine. Right. And you're not going to worry about what anyone thinks and has to say, because the relationship was rocky for a very long time. So, because I don't believe another person can break anyone up. Right. Like I just don't, I don't buy that. Right. Okay. To your point with your son, I think my older son saw me trying to keep the family together.
Yeah, we can hear.
But I had to come to a place where loving myself was bigger and more important than saving anybody.
Well, if you got to save your star player, if your star player is not doing good, the team.
Can we not talk players? Can we use a different? I had a. Can we say the best horse in the race?
Oh my God.
But the reason I know that you're guarded is because when I was in high school, I only dated drug dealers.
Oh, really?
Oh my God, that's where I was. I lived in South Central LA. That's what it was.
Wow. I would have never thought that.
Really?
Nah. But going through your trials and tribulations, like I know you're working on yourself, like we all are. Do you feel that you're okay? Like not what people are supposed to see and supposed to think. You.
I think I'm exactly where I need to be, which is some days I'm like totally good, and then other days I'm like,
I feel that.
And then other days it feels like women shouldn't have to be this strong.
Right.
I don't want to be this strong. Can we say sometimes?
Right.
Kate, you made me cry.
I got you verse. But you're good though.
No, I'm good. I mean, listen, it is what it is sometimes.
Right.
What y'all think? Y'all hear me?
Yeah, we listen.
Oh, what y'all think about that shit?
We got a little bit of echo, bro.
Oh, okay. You hear me?
We thinking exactly what you thinking, nigga.
You hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Still an echo though.
Damn.
I think we thinking exactly what everybody thinking the same shit. If you saw them other clips and you heard that right there, most definitely playing a role, nigga.
It's an echo now?
Nigga doing that shoulder to crown shit.
It's an echo now?
Nah, it's still there. Damn, unless it's just me.
I be used to it.
I mean, if it ain't fucking with the other side, it's cool.
Yeah, I gotta fix it. Yeah, we sounding perfect out right here. I don't even understand that.
Are you good then? Shit, we ain't tripping long as it's good over there. You gonna thug it out over here. That's the shit they gotta be reused. You know what I'm saying?
But we do be using this audio too, though.
Okay.
Gotta get it right, man. I ain't tripping though. But yeah, I don't know what to think about that. She cried, shed a tear, shit.
Bro, they going. She's an actor. She's a career-long actor. It's easy just doing his crossover shit. It's benefiting both of them. That interview was done to go viral. It was done to make the blogs. The whole presentation.
No, for sure. Because it's like, who the fuck is Nia Long supposed to be interviewing? Like, who are you to interview?
This her second career, nigga. This is the I got cheated on bag. She already did the beautiful black woman actor sexy bag. That bag been done in the 90s, early 2000s. Then the TV show bag. Then I married the successful new upcoming coach, started a family bag. You know what I'm saying? We just was breezing through that housewife era. Now this is the after the breakup bag. You know what I'm saying? She's gonna be getting featured on a lot of TV shows, and she's gonna have her own little red table talk type shit going on.
Shout out to her.
For sure. I love baby
I bet you do.
She was some of the first work. She was some of the first work I got in, bro.
Nah. She definitely was the one back there.
That scene on Soul Food.
I was in love with
that
that
nigga
bitch.
Liam had her on the sink in that movie. Is that what she did?
I think Boys in the Hood, she was cool, but Friday, I was really on her Friday. I'm like, hold on.
She was tight in Friday, but I was on her on that goddamn Soul Food movie, nigga.
Yeah, no, Soul Food, she was bad for sure.
She
was bad for sure.
That nigga had her on the sink, nigga.
Damn, nigga, yo, horny ass nigga.
Keep cooking, Aunt. No, let him keep talking. We gonna find some shit out. Keep going, Aunt.
Ain't nothing to find out, nigga. I ain't
Don't dig that hole, Aunt.
I can't
exactly, Bolo.
Hold on. This is the thing. Aunt can't dig no holes because Aunt ain't gonna say nothing to do nothing he ashamed of. I most definitely was on that Nia Long. Top
she was on Fresh Prince too.
Yeah, she was on Fresh Prince, but she ain't do no that Soul Food when she came around. Nigga, it's cute.
You better not say that damn stink no more, nigga. She was back on Fresh Prince.
Fresh Prince. See, that was the innocent Nia Long, bro. That was the innocent Nia Long on Friday. She was innocent.
Short hair.
Yeah, she was innocent and shit. Debbie from up the street. And shit like that, trying to save Felicia.
Man, niggas stealing slogans, huh? That's crazy.
Man, hold on. I already get
what you talking about?
Because I've been hearing for years on all type of YouTube clips. I'm gone. Sir. I thought that boy get it copywritten. Is that what you talking about, Rob?
Yeah.
But even if you get it copywritten, it can't stop a nigga from saying it. But
shit. Nigga can't go get some bread somehow, man.
But you can make a motherfucker they can't use your shit as far as no business shit.
Yeah, that shit been all over the other side of the app.
But you know, man, lingo, everybody use everybody lingo nowadays.
Oh, we set the trends, huh?
Lingo gonna get taken, man. That's just what this is.
We hip hop and lingo trends stay last.
Swagger jacket is
somebody
crazy.
write that down.
It's just how the game go in the world today. Like you just peep, bro. Everybody like, you know, niggas use LA lingo. LA niggas use other lingo, vice versa.
What city got the most lingo?
That's hard to tell, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, oh,
I tell you got the most prominent lingo right now. They've been having the longest. Chicago. Chicago got the most
Well,
prominent
look who
lingo.
showed up late to the party.
So what?
You know why? Because I got responsibilities, nigga.
Always eating.
Yeah, because I'm a fat nigga. Yeah,
I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you.
How you think I got this baller belly overnight? What you mean, nigga? And I'm with my daughter. So one of you slick niggas say something slick, man.
Hey, yeah, we gotta fuck with you while you ain't whispering, my boy.
I ain't whispering shit, nigga. And guess what? Fuck you, Bolo. You was in here arguing with niggas at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Hey,
Nigga. What type of nigga is you?
hey, and I seen your you tired of me explaining, huh?
What? Yeah, yeah. How do you explain yourself, man? I told the homie, nigga, fuck that. You said what you said, nigga. You get off live and quit explaining, nigga. You said what you said, nigga. I said, tell the homie, quit explaining yourself, nigga.
That's real shit. That's real shit.
That's real shit, nigga.
It's for the fans, ain't it right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Nigga, I love you. Cause guess what? No, hold on. Guess what? You gave me flowers last night saying this. I read between lines. The only niggas that come outside, the niggas that been here, long haul, this and third. The niggas that didn't say, I told you so, right? Nigga, I'm gonna tell you what I told KK, and I'm gonna tell you, man, tell him how me get off line and quit explaining yourself, nigga. You said what he said, nigga. We thugging. Nigga, fuck cuz. Yeah, nigga. Now what? Now what? Now back to the bullshit.
How y'all Slim was going in last night.
I know. ODM Slim said, hey, if ODM Slim think he getting away with saying, oh, you gonna come in on that jailhouse shit? Because when I came in, he said, I just came here to go to sleep. He said, oh, jailhouse nigga, you need to hear background music.
That nigga kept saying that nigga got a BBL.
What?
That nigga crazy. Man, man, what we on, man? We went through a lot of shit. We had a Tony Rosenberg come through here.
What we on?
You know what I'm saying? Goldmouth hopped on live earlier.
What?
My nigga Goldmouth, Rollo homeboy.
Oh, what did he say? Give me a recap, cuz.
Well, Rollo, you know, Rollo fresh out. Rollo pushed.
Yeah, Rollo, I think that.
Hey, Rollo pushed straight up to the projects. Rollo didn't waste no time. Shot a video in the middle of Atlanta. Already.
So what Bootsy say?
Already semi dissing CMG. Nigga said he rock with Dolph. He can never sign with CMG.
Oh, well. Let's get to that.
Yeah, Goldmouth hopped on there and said, man, they pushing positivity. They on some other, they getting to it. You know, a lot, because my whole thing is he out here crickets now. Because, a lot of people was a lot of people were saying, he's gonna have a hard time in Atlanta.
Come on, bro. The nigga owned the
I didn't hear nobody say that.
In Atlanta.
Now listen. When the shit first, listen, I'm gonna keep it real. Okay, they debunking the paperwork. Okay, there's no paperwork. He didn't put nobody in jail. Well, we all listened to the audio, and that audio is crazy. You know what I'm saying? It would insinuate that a nigga, told, or a nigga felt like he had no choice but to tell. But like I said, that's neither here or there. And I want to get one thing straight while we on here too. Smutfree TV, Hip Hop Trends Clubhouse. I do not stamp calling niggas snitches, giving jackets to niggas. And I'm gonna repeat that again. I do not stamp in this room, on this platform, calling niggas snitches and giving niggas jackets. We are third party individuals that create a discussion, debates, conversation around hot topics, shit that's on the internet already. We are not breaking news in this motherfucker. But we have a right to opinions and perspectives on certain situations, right? If it come across our table. So, I'm just addressing that because it was brought up today that on No Jumper, Flacco, street niggas said he was a snitch. Said Brick, like, what street niggas? Oh, Rockstar, KK, just throwing names out there. You feel me? I let Flacco like, hey, cuz, check this out. Don't put my name with nothing, my nigga. You feel me? Like on wood, like professionally. So check this out. Professionally, I don't have an opinion on shit, right? Like I said, this is all discussions, debates. Personally, I have opinions, but my opinion don't count. You know what I'm saying? So for a motherfucker to take shit out of context, out of the room, from a third party discussion, trying to create conversation and create, the feedback, get the real deal feedback from the people. I think they're taking it too far. So I just had to clear that up. You feel me? That's never been part of my get down. You feel me? Shit happens on the fly around this motherfucker. Shit happens. We entertain. It's entertainment. But once we done with this room, bro, we not taking nothing outside of here. So y'all need to stop taking this shit and twisting this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Rob.
Yeah.
I just want to say this. You know what's crazy about that?
Yeah.
But like when it comes to him protecting you on something, like when a nigga saying some crazy shit about you, Flacco act like he don't know what the fuck happened, bro. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think Flock way is just staying out of shit. He don't want to stay shit, but like I told him, if he don't want to stay shit, he shouldn't even say shit like that. You feel me? Cause
that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, because right there, that'll get
It's by time you check that nigga. Going on if you don't know when a nigga asks you something.
No, the brother, hold on. It's by time you check that nigga.
You know?
By the time you check that nigga.
So yeah, I mean, neither here or there. I just feel like,
thank you, Rick.
Guess what, right? If we checking shit, we checking shit all the way down line.
Yeah.
Check his fat ass.
Yeah, but outside of that, the people that's having the opinion right now,
niggas that have an opinion right now, nigga, is niggas that really don't fuck with you.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what I'm getting at. And that's what I'm getting. And that's what I'm seeing. And
Hold on. Repeat that again, Rick.
I said the niggas that have negative opinions right now is niggas that really don't fuck with them. If niggas that have corrective criticism or niggas that have said something to them before this shit happened, is loved ones, bro. There's a lot of niggas coming out the woodwork right now that are ready to put it in his face like, I told you so. I told you so. Hold on, let me finish. You asked me a question, but they're the same niggas that was on the stage every night or came in a room every night or kissed whack ass on the narrative, right? That's what I'm saying. Like, you got to pick and choose where you was at, right? The reason Rock still fuck with me right now, nigga, on a personal relationship, I've never wavered on what on to. There's niggas like Bolo that ain't never wavered. There's niggas like KK that ain't never wavered. Like the way he went to bat for Elena last night, that never wavered, right? So we ain't gotta raise your hand or you feel like you left out. Nigga, I said what I said, cuz there's a lot of niggas right now that ain't never supported cuz that's on that I told you so motion.
Yeah, that's what
I meant by that.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Let me tell you something, cuz. I tell every nigga in here right now, man. Me and this nigga have personal conversation, nigga. Me and this nigga done went back and forth, right? Me and this nigga ain't fucked with each other for a minute. And we got personal conversation about how I felt. Nigga, I was on this stage at one time, and him and KK, I give a fuck about how my peers feel about me. Nigga, hold on, let me finish. Nigga, I'm not talking to you, nigga. Let me finish. Nigga, I'm a keyway, so I feel a certain way when other keyways say something, nigga, or how I feel, right? There's been times in here like, oh, Rich scared of this, Rich scared of that. Rich ain't scared of the motherfucker. But I give a fuck when niggas that I call my peers, even young homies, nigga, that ain't from my set, nigga, from original LA says West Bullies, and niggas on my top to the street, nigga. But where we at now, nigga, I never just holler at cuz like I told you so. Yeah, I don't have personal conversation with motherfuckers I love, nigga. But I ain't love myself like this and third. It's still to care for cuz. Ask cuz every time he popping a lot where I'm at. Or if he can text me where I'm at. Nigga, so don't question what I'm saying, or this is my opinion, nigga. And I ain't gonna play with a nigga about it. And we ain't talking about that ignorant shit. Okay? That's what I'm saying, cuz. We ain't, I don't know what the fuck wrong with niggas. I don't know what the fuck wrong with niggas at any point, nigga, or bitches, or what are we doing, nigga? Are we talking to just be talking?
So I did want to raise a little question about like what you spoke on just a second ago, Rockstar. Just some type of conversations, bro. I know the game is what a game is. I ain't the nigga. I'm not trying to be the Debbie Downer or the buzz killer or the spoiler of fun. But when does it get to a point? When does it get to a point when it's like certain niggas is not even supposed to be in them type of conversations with other niggas?
Listen,
like, you know what I'm saying? We got these top, you know what I'm saying? Just
listen, but that's what Rick was telling Cuz, like, why am I even having a conversation with you, this and that? But
this is what these platforms have become now. And
Rich, meet up real quick.
I'm just saying, like, us as niggas, bro, we kind of did gatekeep that, like, as niggas. And not we, I don't even want to put myself in it, but I'm just saying, like, the culture in general, like, when the span came of letting people who, like, not even really from this culture or part of this shit, or they ain't got no type of family members or friends, like, let me just say friends, or they grow up in this environment, don't get it at all, just being the source of it because they run the platform. Like, okay, nigga, you sitting up here really politicking on, we having a real political conversation about gangbanging with you, and you just really supposed to be listening. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't care what no nigga say, right? With me, can't no nigga tell me what telling is and ain't, bro. I don't give a fuck what no nigga say, bro. I don't care. Like, I don't, as a non-member, nigga that never been to prison, never shot nobody, never gangbanged, never did none of that shit, bro. But you not finna tell me what telling is and ain't. Because then guess what you're doing? When I know what telling is already, and then you trying to make it sound like it's not telling, you telling me that I think you stupid, nigga. Because you want me to believe some shit that you and I both know that ain't how they go. So when I hear just niggas who have no fucking clue and just volunteering and name dropping and saying this nigga name, that nigga name, and they ain't got no clue what the fuck is really going on. And then on top of that, the niggas that's defending it know exactly what the fuck is going on. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just like, nah, bro. It's like this shit don't even need to be politicked on these platforms at times. But I do know that that's where the game is at, and it became entertaining and fun for niggas. But bro, this should be prison yard shit. I do get though when it's popping in the media, and it's all over the place, and it's trending online. Yeah, you doing bad business if you don't go where the eyes at. Like, nigga, I put the shit in. I didn't put the shit in my title just because I know people gonna click it, but I don't break that shit down, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't give a damn. Nigga, I'm not reading that paperwork shit. I'm not, nigga. I don't read the paperwork. You know what I'm saying? Like, I never do. I'm just like, okay. And then niggas be like, man, what you trying to say? Nah, nigga, I'm telling you, I only put this shit in the title because I know y'all gonna click the video, nigga. And then I'm gonna go somewhere else with it. Stay your ass out of jail. Stay your ass out of prison, nigga. All the other shit, that's between them niggas that's going through. But just seeing this shit, bro, like, you ain't never supposed to have to make that type of phone call, Rockstar. You feel me?
Yeah, but I had to.
I know you had to. You was in a you did exactly what you was supposed to do. But I'm saying the game ain't even supposed to come to that. You see what I'm saying? On a platform that big.
Yeah, especially if niggas fuck with you some way. And that's what just, that's where it goes back to say, like, everybody who got these opinions and, popping my name out here now, just stay right there where you at, though. Just, stay on that side. We're going to keep on pushing and keep moving. And I don't want to hear nothing when this shit pass over and niggas be like, oh, you still? Yeah, nigga. Y'all thought this shit was real, nigga? Some internet shit. Right, guys, niggas.
Internet going internet, bro. The internet going internet.
Well, niggas hitting me that I ain't never talked to in years. Off of this shit, bro. This shit is amazing, okay? These people popping up out the blue.
Well, internet going internet, bro, but it's just like the way this game is just going. It's like I just see it getting more and more out of control, bro. Like the shit just getting more and more puppet master, more and more bottom feeder shit, more and more childish. Like we got the most immature culture right now, bro. And it was never like that. We got the most immature culture right now. Our culture is the most immature shit in the game right now, bro. The most least amount of productivity. Yeah, people making money and feeding their families and shit. And that's always, I'm going to salute that, even when trolls are doing their thing, because I know they feed somebody. So I get it. But at the same time, we ain't got no balance no more, bro. Ain't no type of balance going on. That shit hurt. That shit gonna hurt us in the long run if niggas don't clean it up. And all the OGs, the niggas that's the OGs, they supposed to be kind of guiding this shit and keeping the balance. But a lot of them
niggas, most of them niggas ain't OGs. That's the problem.
When I say the OGs, the niggas that is got the generations of experience, like the niggas that's doing that, they ain't really, they didn't got silenced, or they didn't have their shit together, or we figuring out like post by post, interview by interview, comment by comment that these niggas is real live cornballs. Like a lot of the niggas we grew up listening to, bro, they just showed like, damn, bro, like
Bun B.
I wouldn't say Bun B.
Ah, damn.
I bet you wouldn't.
He said, I bet you wouldn't.
Bun B stay in his lane.
I know, but he just disappointed me. Cause I the way I seen Bun B versus when I met him in person and the way he was talking, I was sad, bro.
Yeah, see, I say with Bun B though, Bun B ain't out here overexerting. Ain't in nobody.
No, he not.
He out the way. He do what he do. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying niggas who be just jumping out the window, like just clowning themselves, and it's like, damn, bro, a nigga grew up listening to you like in middle school. Nigga, you was a grown man, and nigga, you was live in the bitch, and then now we done got social media. We just see like, damn, nigga, you on that type of shit? Like, really, nigga? And bro, I'm never gonna be that nigga to watch a nigga Instagram and be like, hey, bro, don't have fun. Don't joke. Don't post funny shit. Don't, bro. I hate when niggas be that. Nigga, don't be no gangster around me, bro. I don't want that. Like, nigga, I want you to be your motherfucking self when you come around me. Nigga, don't be that tough guy shit on in front of me, nigga. I'm not no tough nigga. Like, nigga, smile. Nigga, have a good time. Like, post funny shit. Nigga, let us see your sense of humor. But some of this other shit that I be seeing niggas doing, I'm like, nah, bro, that ain't that. That ain't how that's supposed to go. But this is the world we live in now.
Hey, my Boosie ain't letting up on Blue and Empire. He added them today. Empire, can y'all pay me my money? Blue, can y'all pay me my money? Cable Guy, can y'all pay me my money? I mean, y'all did all together. Facts, go eat lunch and figure it out. Said he forged Young Blue name also in another deal that I knew nothing about. I'm suing Beats Bread Funds. I'm suing you also. You might want to get your lawyers to call mine. These are text messages between Vice and Play, which is his brother, Young Blue. How many times can you forge someone's name with no remorse? He was allowed to sign Blue contracts too. LOL. Posted this. So he posted all this shit, all the text messages.
Boosie's using this for marketing at this point, bro. Because
hey, what Boosie doing considered snitching?
No.
Probably. I kind of damn near about to ask that, bro, because it's starting to seem like you don't like you keep pushing it, bro, but you want to say it, this and that is snitching.
Yeah, you keep on saying the nigga
you
forged the shit. You trying to get a nigga locked up, bro?
That's snitching too. Shit.
Well,
I understand it's a civil issue though.
Yeah, this is a business.
But it's not like you trying to get a nigga locked up. That's a criminal issue.
It's business, like
this business, bro. He ain't going to no
police. Still trying to get a nigga locked up.
I mean, but damn, how many times he gonna do this though? Bro?
Hold on.
That's what I'm saying,
listen, bro. This ain't no leak because the nigga brother already said, bro, that nigga you could sign stuff for people. That's not illegal, bro. That's not illegal. Like him signing stuff. Boosie is saying, well, you did it this time, but he's not gonna go to jail for this shit, bro. This ain't death. this is, hey, y'all did some bad business. He trying to get a civil suit, but what Boosie got to know, and that's why I say he doing it for attention. You coming to Instagram posting this shit 1,000 times is not gonna do nothing inside that courtroom. If anything, you hurting yourself because they sitting back on the phone talking to each other, nigga. You the only nigga they ain't talking to. And like I said, when he was typing them long, deep paragraphs, him and Blue was going at each other and talking all the shit. I was like, y'all might as well call each other at this point. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, bro. That ain't telling though, bro. Nigga not
telling the world though, man.
You just putting everybody in your business, but that ain't snitching.
I understand that, but how many times you gonna do this though, bro?
When you say
that's a different conversation.
I got pushback on that one, and because when you saying someone forged your name and you're saying the person that forged your name, that's snitching, bro.
Okay.
Hold on, and guess what though? And that ain't no civil issue. Forgery, that's a fucking felony.
That's a crime.
Well, if a nigga ain't see, this the thing. I ain't gonna do that. The reason why is because, bro,
you being biased. You playing politics.
No. Big Ant don't do that because Big Ant is on record. You can go to my Instagram right now and it's up where I called Boosie out. And it's gonna stay up there. Because I called him out because he didn't have nothing to say about the white boy doing that stuff. And I said, hey, bro, you call out every nigga that you think that told something, which I don't give a fuck. It ain't none of my business, but I'm seeing you. You got something to say every time a nigga do something. You vouch for that white guy.
Is there a reason you got your name on? Oh,
and
no, my bad.
And that white boy, when he did what he did, you got quiet, but you vouched for him to go get an interview from Vlad. But Boosie know, and I know, and all three of y'all niggas know. If a nigga did that letter to the warden, Boosie would be calling that nigga a snitch. So I said, that's why I said, Boosie, that ain't right to me on some niggas, on some black men shit. I don't care about the street side. I'm talking about the black men side. You vouching for him is cool, but nigga, one of your brothers do it. Ah, nigga, this and this. Nah, bro. Fuck that. Like, we ain't doing that shit. Nah. He most definitely volunteered some information, but he's not going to the police with it. He's trying to get his money. But at this point, I don't even think he's trying to get his money. I just think he's trying to stay relevant, bro.
Hold on.
I mean, he do need something to say in the he needs.
Bro, he done posted that same shit 30 times on Instagram and Twitter, bro. It's not doing nothing for him. It's not gonna make the courts move.
I get that, but you saying something that can get a nigga locked up though. Forgery,
but
like,
he's not going.
I can understand the silver part, but to tell somebody nigga forge your name,
bro, he can't even prove that shit on Instagram.
I get it.
Come on, bro. That ain't telling, bro. Now that nigga do volunteer a lot of information and be doing shit, extra shit. He clearly be looking for attention every day. Like, come on, bro. He came on there talking about he lost his ankle monitor, charger. Oh, how many, bro? He lost his diamond chain 2-3 times. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Like, that nigga just be reaching. I need this, I need that. And, man, they did this, they did that, man. Every day he getting on there just saying.
Hey, that shit, it's definitely reckless jaw jacking, but I ain't gonna go so far as says telling, because that shit, I mean, it's reckless.
Hold on. I'm saying, if I was running around saying that you forged my name on something, bro,
I'm gonna say it like this, right? If somebody else did, fuck Flacco. Flacco ain't no street nigga. I'm a real nigga though. Nigga, I'm in these trenches, nigga. Fuck.
I said you was stuttering like Flacco, nigga.
I said, no, I was trying to gather my thought. If that nigga held somebody, if that nigga held somebody else to that standard, you can say that. But I'm just saying, it's reckless. If it's reckless for sure, because you gotta, if he holds somebody else to that standard, I mean, it is we didn't call it for somebody else. I'm gonna say that. But,
Comey, what's up, my nigga?
What's up with the family?
You already know, bro.
Real Hollywood up. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Rich Ganny.
That's where I'm at with it. Fat Prophet. He called everybody else out on this type of shit. Say they snitching, but when he do it, it ain't snitching. I'm gone, bro.
Nah, nigga most definitely get what y'all saying.
Hey, no, I agree. I agree with that wholeheartedly. I mean, if that's what you want to construe it as somebody else, I mean, that's there for you. You got to be there what you expect of others, right? You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I mean, niggas talk reckless on this suing shit all the motherfucking time. I mean, honestly,
Hey, look, homie. I understand the suing part, but the part about the forgery type shit, like. And that part in it get a little different because civil suit is different from forgery, bro. Like
I mean,
it's a civil suit though.
I'm saying I'm saying the likelihood of a nigga, of the police wasting their time to pursue a criminal conviction on these niggas on some shit like that is very slim.
Niggas get locked up for forgery all the time. They went and got the nigga for forgery.
That's when you trying to steal some money from these white folks, not when you trying to steal from another nigga. I don't give a fuck about that.
He got a new Vlad video out.
He got a new Vlad video out where he say he pressed a criminal charge.
Yeah, he did say he was pressing charges too.
Wake it up, Will.
That's different than a motherfucker.
Everybody get the content.
That's different than a motherfucker right there.
You can play that Vlad on YouTube.
I forgot. That's hella different. That's hella different right there.
They'll fuck up the whole shit. That nigga there.
Any kind of charge pressing nigga against a nigga.
So hold on.
He say
he could do it because his brother is civilian. He ain't the street.
Man, check this out.
Hey,
look.
You just turned the rule upside down.
It's crazy.
Hey, look, check this out. I'm gonna tell all y'all, man. I'm from the Bay. We don't subscribe to y'all standards, man. All this civilian shit, my nigga, I ain't never heard of it, bro.
Nobody don't subscribe to that. It ain't just the Bay. It ain't just the Bay. Nobody don't subscribe to that.
I mean, but I'm just saying we don't even use that. We don't even use the mother that kind of terminology out here, my nigga. Civilian, nigga. What the fuck is a civilian, nigga? My grandmama, aunties, uncles, cousins, and ain't nobody telling, nigga. Ain't nobody fucking with the Johnny Law, nigga. You know what I'm saying? So as far as niggas talking about who can and under what circumstance they can tell, nigga, if you a rat, you a rat. Nigga, it don't matter, nigga, if you in a game or not, period. Nigga, if you talking about somebody else's business, nigga, concerned you, nigga, or, you know what I mean, especially even if you ain't a gang member and you talking to the business, nigga, then you want to become a rat, nigga, you just, bro, it don't matter. You
still a snitch, but you still a civilian. Like, if I'm a whole ass gangbanger out here, bro. I don't give a fuck about no nigga that ain't living by what I'm standing on. I don't care about it.
Man, I learned.
I'm still gonna label you as a rat, nigga. Yeah, you told her that don't mean I'm about to fuck with you, nigga. But nigga, you still a civilian. You still a nobody.
I learned the code from niggas that ain't had nothing to do with gangs, man. You know what I'm saying, nigga? I mean, nigga ain't no telling out here. Ain't nothing. I don't subscribe to that, bro.
Niggas telling everywhere, bro. We ain't gonna do that.
Period.
Gang members
Period. But I'm saying,
you say you from the Bay, my nigga. They ain't had a nigga in the Bay.
Gang members are the ones that's telling the most. All the
niggas don't tell in the Bay.
I'm saying, let's get rid of this civilian talk, though. This civilian shit don't mean nothing.
But this is the reason why niggas
ain't out here making rap videos, faking like they killing niggas. These niggas ain't out here hanging on the block, committing robberies. These niggas, the civilian niggas are niggas that probably got caught up in something they first time and told, nigga. I don't give a fuck about what you doing. If you faking out, now if you a street nigga and you out here moving like that and you tell and you don't gangbang, yeah, either way it go, you a rat. It ain't no none of that shit. Like
Period. Nigga don't care if you in the streets or not. Nigga, if you telling, bro, across the board, nigga.
Civilian.
Okay,
yo.
So you heard what Will just said, the nigga Boosie said, right? So is you getting from this what I'm getting? Because this is what I'm getting. He's saying he can tell on his brother because his brother not a street nigga. That's what I got from what he said.
Hey, Whip, I gotta go watch this, bro. I'm gonna be right back, y'all.
You heard me, KK?
I ain't saying you lying, Whip, but I need to get the full understanding.
Nigga said that's crazy.
Hey, Will,
look,
the shit you just said, Will.
Hey, Will, say what you say. Boosie said again.
No, I heard him.
He heard him. We heard him.
Bro,
Yeah, like I said, yeah,
I
that
ain't been
nigga
off
said,
my
that
mic,
nigga
nigga. I've
said
been
that shit.
listening this whole time. That's crazy.
Hey, Will, I'm finna go listen to this just to get the full.
Go check it out. They got a whole dialogue. But then, like I said, bro, this is a whole civil case, bro. Like that's not going nowhere, bro.
But he said he going criminal
Yeah, he
charges.
said he pressed the charges, KK. It get different. Then that goes to, bro. That's the period report.
How you on the internet with your ass?
Ain't nothing happening, bro.
It ain't, but it's just the fact. Why would he say that? For what he be pushing online is what
That's
the question.
That's it.
If he wasn't,
if he feel worked out of whatever money he worked out of, bro. Listen, all that snitch talk when it comes to silver shit, bro. Y'all niggas know better than that.
That's not civil, that's criminal.
KK, he's going. It's out of civil court once you say he pressed the charges, okay? But that's not a civil matter, man. Did it get bound over already? Y'all know for a fact that it's bound over already.
With that count at snitching, that's where he glad say, wouldn't that be considered snitching? He was like, nah, because
bro, in the civil case, you niggas ain't never been in civil.
He said
no, KK. Not KK.
Bro,
if we go asking, did it get bound over yet? He ain't pressed the charges. So that means that's just still civil, nigga. It ain't got bound over yet, so it's still civil matter. Where we saying is they said a nigga can tell you anything, bro. Did it get bound over, bro? Y'all be too hung up on words, bro. Did it get bound over yet? Do y'all know that? The reason niggas saying this because this is what he be saying, bro. So I get it, bro. We're talking about him pressing charges or whatever the case may be. I'm speaking on if it's a civil matter. Cool, like niggas say shit all. You have to do that in order to win your lawsuit, bro. I don't even think it's in civil court yet, bro. I think
man, niggas for one. Not only that, niggas been suing niggas. A lot of these rappers been suing in the industry.
Niggas get sued behind closed doors, left and right. We not talking about the suing part, bro. Y'all, but I can't, bro. You want me to answer something that it ain't even bound over to the other shit y'all talking about? Like how
it's bound to the streets now, KK.
No, but I'm saying though, like a nigga could tell you he's pressing charges, bro. That's cool. Well, it ain't cool, but I'm saying that shit not bound over.
Man, a district attorney ain't about to waste their motherfucking.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
They ain't about to waste their resources on that shit, bro. Now, since the niggas saying this bound to the street, my question is this, bro, because I mean, I ask a lot of niggas this question, like, you know, for my generation, nigga. When you talk that rat talk, my nigga, it's responsibility to come with it. If you bound to the street, which one of you niggas ready to knock this nigga down for telling?
Nobody.
No, I'm gonna report his
music.
I'm gonna flag his
man.
music.
I mean, but what the fuck does that mean? What that mean? What you? I mean that. What do we? So is you niggas gangsters or conscientious objectors? I'm just saying. You know what I mean? I mean, look, I'm saying, look.
You know a nigga who a rat though?
I mean, no, I don't, cause I mean I know some niggas who have told though, but my nigga, them niggas ain't in good shape right now though.
Did you go knock them down though?
I don't need to. Well, I mean, look.
Did you go knock them down?
If I did, my nigga, that ain't your business, nigga. I never talk about the fuck I did, nigga. Well, for one, nigga, I'm in prison right now, for murder. What the fuck is you talking about, nigga?
I mean, he asked us that. He asked that deal, is we going to knock him down? So I'm trying to reverse.
No, I'm saying because I'm saying the reason why I asked that question because niggas always talking about who telling and who ain't, my nigga. And I understand the consequences that come with it, nigga. If you for those of you that been in jail, know what I'm saying is real. You come to the yard, you talking about somebody telling, my nigga. That's your responsibility, nigga. We might send a nigga with you to help you, but nigga, you gotta go knock that nigga down. If you're wrong, if you put some false allegations on the nigga, that nigga go knock you down, nigga. But they ain't just gonna be talking about a nigga, tell a nigga, and just go without consequence, nigga. So when niggas on this internet, you get to talking too reckless about who telling and who ain't, but the niggas is saying calling niggas rats ain't willing to put in they ain't willing to do nothing, they ain't willing to put in no work, but they want to put in a lot of talk on this motherfucker. That's what I'm saying.
Hey, which one of us called somebody a rat? We just said asking that considered snitching. That's all we did. Nobody call him a rat. What are you talking about? Nobody said that.
Yeah, we want him to taste his own medicine. He be talking.
Yeah, I'm just saying he make lines for where snitching is and what ain't, but what he do is different. That's all we was saying. Nobody called him a rat, bro. So I don't know where you get that narrative from.
Hey, first of all, Bolo, once again, you hold the nigga back, bro. Like I said last night, man, you good for that, right? But I'm not surprised with you, right? I'm gonna say this.
Yeah,
Bolo. I agree with you on that. already agree with your motherfucking ass on that, bro. You like to go in circles a lot, my nigga. Clean that earwax out your ears, bro. And hear nigga correctly.
Tell it, man. You long with. All right, I'm gonna let that go.
Yeah, you motherfucker right, I'm long winded, but I know what the fuck I'm saying though, bro. You like to go in circles a lot.
I guess.
Yeah, Polo.
This nigga,
I
man.
Rich, ain't no sense you trying to do that, bro. Because if
You ain't talking so lame, nigga.
Call me, chill, girl, chill. We chilling.
Yeah, Polo. You heard me.
I'm gonna cut.
Y'all ready to back up on Bolo with that bullshit.
Hey, Rich, what's
you
up,
know, once he
KK?
get going and we can't control the nigga, that nigga get
Hey,
back your scary ass up off the homie, cuz.
Hey, happy to see that, cuz. What's up, KK, cuz?
What's
you
up?
late,
You
nigga.
all right?
Yeah. I say you late.
Hey, you know my boy?
Yeah, nah, my shit ain't been on and on.
Yeah, but guess what? You disappointed when I told you on your day, though. But anyway, yeah, Polo. How you doing, KK? What's up, K Swanger? Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, do say bully. Yeah, I feel you, cuz.
Hey, Rock, you know Rich Trapper?
You said who?
Rich Trapper.
No, but he know Rich the high capper.
No, Rich the Factor.
No, Rich Trapper. He from 60.
Oh, no.
You talking about
yeah, no. KK no.
Yeah,
the nigga make the clothes.
Yeah, I was chopping it up with him.
Trap
earlier.
baby.
What's on?
The trap shit, bro, you be having?
Yeah, he got Trap Network.
You said Peachy?
Nah, Rich.
Why you call her Rich? That's cuz name.
We might be talking about somebody else. I don't know.
Hey, Polo.
Look up Trap News Network and see if you know that nigga.
Oh, no, that ain't the same shit.
What's up, Rich?
Yeah, you heard what cuz said.
Yeah, I just listened to that shit when he said.
My boy, that's all I'm saying now. Leave me alone, Rich.
Yeah, you heard what my nigga
We off, man. Niggas are trying to have me on all night. I'm gone.
Listen to what Bruce said. He said he filed a separate lawsuit on criminal charges.
What
Oh
you
yeah,
say,
that
Polo?
would be snitching for sure if you get a nigga locked up. But he's saying that he's not a street nigga and he can't do nothing.
Nah, he can't change the rules. He can't move the goalpost, nigga.
And so this is me, right? This is me. Me being a nigga.